Order for Adom TV. Jumadi we nkranshensam. Me ameti dwam amedi jumadi on chame. Edi am yeso neat ekotego. Wo de memo di minimudi dada. Na de amesra ma ona da ese onyame be ye wadom na adom wo na wabra bana muntuo di susaso papa abrewo na empo edi ayeye amosoro. Oyeyi a ya na mepe. Enesoso enioma yetaya yo ye be ma ya brabo edimu se empo enyankopon ensa no adwuma onyame wo bo ni padasa ni bia no odi bibi hye mu ese se utimi tumpon wahunu se ebro ani wo de hye fom a brebre na pagya na mu na aso aba banchi dua keto de hye fom a na aso aba bibia onyame ye bia no e abaso na ni nyina so e nneoma bi wo ho a ye yo se wo de ebro ani ehye toyam na akata to ano so a emfiedu emfifi because nye ho na esese efifire enti ade bi yankopon eyoye no ewo nyina so nti a etimutumpon enam eda nsuomu a owonkwa ofiri nsuomu a wowu enti no saa na nipa so no ewo ni ye bi wo ho a esese wo na die ansa abrabo adimu tinede me ma ba ku bi ene se wotimi trust na bi san se enti me da ache na die you have to learn to visualize your future self. 2 years from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today, how do I want to be seen or known? Enfie me enu ekona nimi, enfie num, enfie du. Kwamba so mpese ehumie, and edim be na pese ede bomie. In 1 year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, 5 years' time, how do I want my spouse to feel about me? Obi a menene igwa wadi mu kwamba so mpese onya tenka fa me ho enfie mienu ekoi. You see, you visualize your future by looking at what works and what doesn't work. You know bo ho abra bo mu wa unimi se wo de ya bibia eye yi. You know bo ho a unimi se wo de ya de a eye yi. Nti wo be hwe wo future na say me in 3 years time I want to be the international motivational speaker. An international crash hini. Fine, my setting me goal, no. So my international there, I need to do certain things right. I need to appeal to hearts internationally. So my kasa, I can't 1 year any Ghana keke akoma so. You say me kabro for no and French, but me Ghana to make country. So say me international oriented. Na empo matari shemu any contacts network amaye. When I'm million kita dia hu except me international. Then my goal is working. For example, in 2 years' time, me person will be shame because we dear why you are defo why your mama, we dear mobruhuni uhuni pamobo. It means me kasa ne me ne ye ne ma adwina me adwini nyina be gina sa tibia we so. I want to be known as a kind man. Kind. Obi a wo ahumobro ya otunu hu si o ma obi. So you need to set a goal. And your goal must be based on what we call values. The things that are important to you. I have 4 values. And you're my son, my brother, 9. But you respect, obuo, responsibility. Sanko ye amiana mi yoye. Eko ye nso amiana mi yoye. Integrity. Pepe yoni no kureka. Oh. And ba so innovation and creativity. Say abribia me be fufuro na sebe obi ho atono. These are my 4 values. Therefore, some fatimo pobia maybe say when obuo bata ho, am I responsible for this decision? Am I creating an innovation? And is it integrous? So the same way, so I say also your values. Gana ni awutemi. We need values are for phone, not type. What are values? Now I pick up values. Or what you say we have values, no kru wo fie. Na mo trouble mo dem in this house. We live by integrity. We live by respect. We live by being responsible. And we live by we no akasa. Therefore, obi o fi duane nyina na montuo nyina gina sa values we so. And na som boma wonte eko wani mu no, you will yield the fruits of integrity. Me se abrabo ayebo no. Se wotwa mfoni fa woda ache ho. Wo chena bi afisende. Enfie num sende. Say na mpese abusua hunu me. Say na mpesa wo man hunu me. Say na mpesa madwuma yefo am na adwuma hunu me. Say na mpesa me hokani hunu me. You create a picture of what you want to be known for the future. Now, that picture no, obekura bibi friend of values. Nema show boma wo. Me dey na material responsibility, respect, integrity, and innovation. Enti abribia me no bi ya agura me dey obuo respect. Sam koyi am yitu say me ka ho bi. Say koyi so me ka ho bi. I'm responsible for everything I do. Therefore, before I make a decision, I should check the consequences because I'll be responsible for my consequences. I have integrity. I try to be very loyal and truthful in my decisions and choices. I have what I call innovation. And you know, if you make a picture of your future, find values to work with in your family. When you have values, you know, say, "Ope bibi a friend appraiser performance." Your word you mami. Busimi siambia na afibia no. Adwumafo no mpanifo no yebetranse. Aha utosin wa ha. How ye we a friend performance appraiser and our performance management. Ni awo ye ko ye no. Ni ateke yanko ye ni na udi asua de. Onipa wa brabo mu. Do you do performance appraiser? Wa brabo mu apomo de kra do you appraise your health? Say me body to say, me BP to say, because you need to appraise everything about you. Appraise your spirituality. Me nyame som ekosai. Me mpa boy ekosai. Ayi am de me nyankopon ekosai. Me ne me hokani asetena me ya appraise la me dimu. Eso ani. Esafata. Me ne me ma enkita hodie eso ani. Edimu esafata. Se utimi ya appraisal about your life every time. When you do appraisal, it shows you where you are making mistakes and where you need to improve upon your life. Medase pass when you are here. Mamencha Albert, Francis, Isaac, Osmosis, and my producers, Randolph, and Ejawebe Kampedu.
Dosia Bwadishima Maya Mamuninache, Yamwakwa Badwam TV, Cassie so, Yadania sending in crunch and some doso. Near to Joe Mubi, Bettini, Speaker, the Atuja, Finance Minister, Mramechum, and many Mrasabeja phoning Como, Debt Exchange Program, no dear crow, Yadisan some nature mono ever bro. Now Faya Koyensa for Fromo, NDC, and penny 4 year one Mrasabeja fear, Yasamude for Frabano. MPP 4 year one other region so one what to be sansamno any sembin and opay mede bro Adom TV kasie medi fear amankwa tamaklo bra Facebook/Adom TV kasie no ho Go TV channel 176 DSTV channel 280 ho nyina hwehwe ya Adom TV hye ho afia ne die kwan so tie said ensem ni chiremu ankasa etie Chiame hene ya wo mrahwebedwa fie mu de ato finance minister Ken Oforiata enim say Debt Exchange Program no agugu so ye di ho nkomo no baby akodro bia no mramrahye beja fiem na wono wo medi nkomo ne ehwede ekro Adom TV kase etwaso.
And right on our speaker, I appeal to you respectfully to instruct that the Minister for Finance appears before us so that we can have a full briefing, we can debate this matter.
The duty of the Finance Minister is not simply to engage this House. So, Speaker, Article 181, Clause 3 of our Constitution is clear that this is borrowing on behalf of the state.
Wanusi ya peno swafa bedi chewa show meisi kasem so abno sayasare editu just sentia wontimi emeyi emrahwebedwafo asotire ene se na wo mo wa homegiem na sese ya wabaidie ogidi ye se asoye no ede wonsem eba betudwa.
Mr. Speaker, Parliament was on recess. Parliament went on the 23rd. Parliament has just resumed. And we mentioned it last week when we met the House, the leadership, that this is what we intend to do, to come and brief the House. So I think my brothers on the other side are jumping the gun. A little patience. And let's not muddy the waters out there, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let's not muddy the waters out there. We have done the engagement. Yes, it is true that we haven't been able to engage Parliament, but Mr. Speaker, We sounded the call to Parliament.
Ochiriche ni nyina mu wieye na achiamehene Alban Kingsford Babin editu dwase enkachi se woswafo Ken Ofuriata ede won kratasem eba beto mrahye anim na wo nso abobo hu.
Honorable members, my understanding is that both sides agree that the minister be scheduled to come and brief the House, policy statement, and some details about the debt arrangements. Parliament is ever prepared to assist government to get out of this quagmire.
Brasha for ya a war experiment if you do MPP Amanyoko no one so the one atomobi fan penny for candy for now one DNDC and Nimu Brasha Fia you were free honor one to say and then a crime passo only one and in a year teach you how to do so the Muntaka Mubarak when you money Adom Cassie Edin Comway.
Those of us who are members of Parliament from the majority side from the north, supported by some other members of Parliament from the majority side from the south, I want to make some few comments about the changes that have taken place. First of all, during the recess, we got news of some changes that have been effected in the leadership of the minority. As it were, we felt that it was just the normal rumor because we didn't expect such changes, particularly that it was not a fair in terms of representation from the north.
Emashebejani assigned to us to say, and paying for wayi wonum so medi dom kumananim e won mashebedwamu no enya de se wonum e famra kwan so eye isan say 1992 constitution a bo man hu bra no akire enhyehyeye ene akwan a wafa so edi mpanyimfo e won mashebedwamu.
The change itself is problematic because in every political party there are processes through which you make your changes, and NDC as a political party has structures. It has its National Congress, which is the highest decision-making body. It has National Executive Committee, second highest decision-making body. It has Functional Executive Committee. And as you heard, all the NDC members of Parliament have said that none of these bodies was part of that decision-making. So who made that decision? Who made that decision? It wasn't the National Congress. It wasn't the National Executive Committee. It wasn't the Functional Executive Committee. So somebody or some few people undemocratically decided to remove Haruna because he's a Northerner, decided to remove Mutaka because he's a Zongo man, and that is not good for our democracy because we have to be fair and we have to ensure justice in the practice of our democracy.
Oraban Kingsford Bagman so enyankrata free mampani ho ewa sakraya waye ewa na soafo no mu ene ura KT Hammond hwe ni mo so akwa trade and industry so na brand champion so akwa agri kasamo botin ebekwa akwa chieftaincy and religious affairs emunchire mu Adom TV edeba Ghana mampanyi na nadanko Akufo-Addo ayen sakraye ewo emrahye emu wo mayi mrahye ena achiamehene Alban Kingsford Bagben editu dwase enyankrata ede free mampanyini asoye na de won krata nim ene se ora KT Hammond sesei ono ena ekoye osoafo a wobehwe edwadie ene fididwuma so afei Brian Champon enso ene behwe asoye hwe omanyi kuaye ene enuane eso asamoaboaten enso ene beye osoafo a wobehwe ahensem ene yasom awodo asoye no eso sanso ena Mohammed Amin Adam odeno aye Minister of State ewo Ministry of Finance obi Yamwanso wayene Minister of State, Local Government and Decentralization. Na swafo abedi echebia obo wondin enso Herbert Krampa yasese wono ene ekoye swafo abedi echa wo hye enyinama wondin so ena Dr. Stephen Amwa enso swafo abedi echa wo behye edwadie ene mfididwuma so. Achamehene Edison semi nyina to dwawieye no odi to dwase wono abobo wondin ewo se wo ba appointment committee wo mrahye bedwafie enim sebeyi a wobetimi atoto wano. Convener Eda Pensioners Bond Holders Forum Dr. Du Anane entry was say kosi se Finance Minister ode na tena ye mpanifo mbetie wo masem ne de ade achi bia wo mote ho no kosi se ebeyi won ede wa free debt exchange program no mu on Adom TV edin komwe
ba ibele ha enenso ebele ha Adeɛ so ebe ba bele ha. Tem bia se bele ha bia ye bele. Empire ye ba nse Nyankopɔn be me ahoɔden a de be ba bele ha. Ayesa de bia agye so ma yie frim de bia ye beba.
Ekoi echemu se abai empese obeyi wo mu efrem na emum okyere se wo boa wo mu a nokure bia enim esan se enkrata abai edema wo mu no se wo hwemu a enhyehye wo mu no enya de beboa wo mu a akwa ahomegye mu Philip Kosibu aben retired banker esan so mrenim ni enkyeremu sei ene wode etudwa
hye ho se obetimi ono nko a ni tumi so a ehia se obe consult obia na wate coupon race no so was say wo ho kwan per the clause no dey asem ni say obe extend the maturity no 5 years no a ode amaye no a wo say waboa ye na ye mo ensem ano no ehye ho say o kwan say obetimi atwe akwa akire by na we yi a we di we nyina ahyehye na asem family sam me hyase no na menim say ko hyase kura na say na kire say school no kura say bi na kamanko azanka ye o
Kokui adu eni atado bia enso eka pensioners bondholders forum ehu na wodi adesret waban enim se won ha wa wode abeto nanim no won hye no wanya hu bibi ema wo mu
Into your lifestyle nyina was asika no ho into some minim say 10,000 na menya me nkoye me lifestyle more than 10,000 because I no pen na minim say sika baba na me de na kakra into so time as soon as me beji me sika no na my media you say on modern na future for na odwin omo no present for no so odwin en ho saa in fact yen de ne ya de kra ya mobo chen future for
Bamba for be 200 there ye de wo makọ maame krobo e wo kwawu afram plain south mensimu opoye mantemo sebe ya asumdue ene bambo wo nipa femu ni ajapade femu no bejina ne naso adom kase eto asanse bi so
Oye ne bi asi e wo maame krobo ha no kura nyame ne mini ye mensini so afọ ha sei na oyi masotire na amnumu no de na aye ensem a enye ensem kuma nti na odwo na so ye e wo ye tiase nti ye na so free tiase na oba maame krobo obeduru ye no na kuro no agibum sanse na okra baako ato na ye de rade asese ebepem sa abre nkita hodie ene kasapa aboa ama abotoyem enam kwan mu eba
na natsai soda eye odi kuro ewo maame krobo wode to soafo no anim se ne ayekwaso oni krom ho no mo na nyade se na nige ho kra ne senti wode ato mpanyinfo anim se omomode aso we pam se afulani fuyi efri ne krom ho no mo sanse no nko a ene be ma asundue aba
na sa protocol so asabi omukọ yesa nyambre se adwen be na odi mo mo ansana se ne be yakra se papa no ntuma kra ne bo papa no mu mi papa ni dio ya ku mi papa na mo di tuo afam fence mu abono sabi wankodi ewu nyese bia wakoye bobo ne bi ye nyina am fa se ye nyina ho ayina asa ye nyina o mani nyina asem na papa ko fa ne wu ya mumum de beti ye besere abusua no so bia nka na koma tu ne yam na ye hwe ne mpani ebe ya fa ho
a school for be 47 wo Adwraman Anglican Senior High School danano da omo dining hall dwugro wo mo so wi akire emu 28 ye de won kwa yare sabia ye timi ahwe won ama ye wo mu kofie Adom TV etwaso
Ejode etwemu no enamade bo beto odwa ekire se enam subrani bi eto ye Adwraman ninti no dining hall Adwraman Anglican SHS adesuafo edidi ewo mu no edwere egu adesuafo no ebiso na wonsanse mi hwama ne bo fofora ababeto dwa ene se adesuafo be ye dwanan so atorenchemi wo mu praye no emuedo no watwa na doctor fo ehwe wo mu ewo Adwura government hospital no ena bayi wo mu se wo mu enkofie no adesuani ba ko na wo kire se opra dendenden ewo ne nan na Badwam kase ne medical superintendent ya wono ewo Adwura government hospital Dr. Emmanuel Amwa Abuaje edin komono ena wo kire se esansa adesuafo dodo na no ene praketo ebi ne ntino no do na ne yenhwe ne mu se obeyi wo me fair sabia ho ama wo mu akofie
47 cases yesterday, for which there were various degrees of injuries. As of yesterday, there were 5 who were severely injured. Most of the cases, aside these 5, were minor, ranging from issues of bruises to musculoskeletal pain to rib pains and also back pains. So we've stabilized all of them. They've been on analgesia and other medications to help allay their pain. So we've been able to discharge 28 of them.
Wapao Sustainable Oceans Project ho entoma botaye ni nyina ne se Ghana yensuwa no emu dwumadie begyina na so ne enya so mfaso Adom TV ko sanhye mdie na se etwaso
biso na
ohwe sese ya eye enam dodo a ewo ye pumu no dodo a ye hia de boye ho bra no ekofom na ye ka se ekofom a de ye ka no ye ka se mu se eban no eye enama gina ho ede mayen o my Ghana ede kire ye se ye afa adwuma no ekonanim anase enkonanim ye hwe eban a sa be ya me no ka se eban ya ade a ho akwa atwe kakra eno ntisi anye bibi amfa ho a na ede how eba enam ahodo nso a ewo punum no eno ntina ye here santete ne ye ma wo muso ahunu the state of the fisheries.
Sadwumedie Norwegian Agency for Development Cooperation and washe ni mu kwan se wade sika ebeboa se ne ebeya ebeboa ama afare ho nsem akonkan ewo oman mu so afo abedi akira wo share fisheries and aquaculture development so Moses Enim akire kwan ya obefa so edi se adwuman ene asotwe a wonom a obebu emra no so no wade mema wonom
se wo solve sa problem na enye nani ochina enye short term nkwia enye medium term nkwia in the long term also etino o pepa sa de na free wa enya mre enya consistency enforcement wabemumbu tina ye be ye mra ni bi foforo ni ade nyina because enipa wo ho nyina no so kan mra no no hu ntokuro ewom no ofa sa tokuro no mu di bone ti say ni ye hu nyina ni new conventions ni treaties aba international world ni nyina any best practice ye be ye mra ne foforo ni aye regulation foforo ni ayire mu biem se ne be ya obi di bone ani apoto kasemu ye ka ni deterrent no ehu be che no na obetima jai.
Achina ayokro bi a walk in Tampa South wo bunu East Mantam no mo na nei niema aboa makro tumpon konani mo no wo mto musini nanso eba mfudia pa bi wo honom yie pa nti wo mosre penifo so mra emebo wo
Ejina kroba kwa working Tampa South mensene mu wobuno East Mantam no emu na nipa dodo a wo honom no wo kire de betumi adwumpem yensa ye akua adwuma no wo nyina eye se wode wani akire sai kro no mu a empontu nyama nke betumi aboa amakro no tumpon no yade a ebi eni ho eno nti wokoto da sre Ghana ban ne se wo mransra ba mu na wo mbeboa ma wo mususu kro no entumi entumpon
haye pa sisi amegina hayi obi afrem Maryland network nye ma bagina WhatsApp call kra entumi ye This is Chinisa, my China nyina me network amene nipa ebe kasa. Tabra gina hebre. Nipa don we nyina network intera ebe gina ha o. Abra ko enso ka oda ma o ye bia ni kwa se bibia che asama o ni obi eka. Nso be gina ha je se bia ate. E bia nka me mpena bi ni nka me be franso. We abe he na konkonsa fa ko ka kire me yire.
Eno achi kebe wo munni wo honom na nakwadwo yeboa enso ka de ka ho se ade ba ko ho hia se wo munya bi ebo honom wo mu network communication distance network wo honom no enya kura na mboa emma mu ntumi ni omadehye enti nkomo
kurem kasiem se emeba emantie se wo be kora hanko fudia wo kore kura baye na ne me yakora no se na nse ye nua bi kwa afuom sidoku kane okofre ena se kuri okofra bemba okusinga tampo na se senga woni busiani hewa ngetampo no mo ngo fre man kusine so ngadi una ansa be ansa dukaze okwa afuom ba kokunu gurem sidoku ne kokano
say Saudi Brehra Adom TV Badwam kase no de adu so no de bon krata online stories no aye krado irade fa nkomra so bi maye o mre kakra so aba Facebook/Adom TV a ye wo ho a wo be hwe na nati wa no pa me chia wo pa se wo adwuma no difference wo ma ne se woni happy na so ye so ya na ate akire yey we too much o call Asante Dwabia na nati wa tinana ma chwai na mi okoto dwene mu ye o kon ne wonsa no ese bibia be fine bakwab na no pay mo ache
oh ma joso na hayi osmone
eno osmo mo
atama me entuma katade so mo nkwa ne ti ase entuma katade so ya kasa chema mutie entuma katade so danko fo mi ni we omukura nipa mu omo kasa ombe kasa ne ma be pie no entuma katade so entuma atama me osmo entuma katade so medamo asese motimi akora me na mahwe machi ya ma me nyesa anka no pei enipa bebre be kasasa oba hanso a okohwe dachi hene pa de wa yesi control room wa echende okwa aforebo wo India dachi hene nana ya Asante lai ono so yehudi odi won certificate so say ye nana ya o say ya Asante lai o say ye dachi hene Asante nana ya lai o eni ipa ba ko usiambra enim certificate awo di ebe koso wa wie SS enim di odi ya certificate JHS enim di code de so ye wo birth certificate so di different now sa lie amache no for free
amache sa ka
amache ka ho
ni din dos
oh machi ahima nyina e wo Ghana ahima nyina the titu ye go so hima na masa chia Kenya say 1 and 2 ni achire so ahima na ahima ho de o mem sankore ni ho nyina kukum nyina masa chia jedu ene wo mahini so ne techre ne machia sa ahima afo ni
video
ye de oni ma video
be chem ni me won ka na me ka so ani dia nkwanta
e de oni ma de oni ma ya ubo the capital ni wi a enkura ya ka nyina vo ya hwi afofo mutie si enya ubo the capital ni wi ze go so o se o ti ze go so ma hima o wo wi mo amaka ndi o se o de ne mo chinya mo ase o ti wo di akeka jedu ni ntotro so ba bia hima ba concentrate on hafo nti wo so concentrate on o de but there's a sad one on the Ghana for ho aka adwam e wo eye Syria ne Turkey na de yakwa ne se ekwan abefa so abetimi akọ ne omadi nkomo no so no saa kwan nyina no enko ahoma no emfa nti e de ayam hihie pa na aba even though obi nchen obi ba na edu ba bia obi ekochen obi kakra nti na wiase nyina no achu nti ene ye danyame ase ba yankase ade hie bi nso ho akọ adwam I'm telling you so ojibre pa hwe Joy News now she said ye a dancing timi bura
picture bi
now she dan na nipa dodo a na etisa dan ni now she kwan a nyame fa so so ti kwada bi eni nipa bi ni mu a hey
obi hye ho a wo tie mu nyame
enti we the presidential correspondent was here linking call Dr. Mubarak Mohammed ye ne ne betwetwen komo onu na gina Ghana fo anemu e wo saa bia ho na obeka ha kakra che ne Ghana mpemfo ahwe kwa ya be fa so a ibetimi aye ohare so etimi Doc Mubarak anope minim se mo hoya no pose me mo achi na ho ye
me ho ye kwa me dase
good na hefa poti na oni ye kasa free
menemu kasa se make say from Ankara, the capital of Turkey.
Ankara?
Yes, Ankara, the capital of Turkey.
Okay. Na situation is in Ghana 42. In say adishye kronkro ahodo mo adishye waka. Ba ene de ye masa abusuan ya kosa agye di se nipa dodo na be hu mo kira kwan no. Ye Ghana for adishye understand say o na obo abo ku na no yi. Ye ho asem ti se wo ho.
Yo, Ghana for the Yadanyankupon ase panse. In fact, ye ni problem biasa. Ushe earthquake, enye bibia is here. It happened in 10 different cities. Those 10 different cities, almost a border town. They share border with Syria. And you follow news, earthquake, and also it happened in both Turkey and Syria. And those cities almost share that border town with, Syria. Those were cities that were severely affected. Now, thankfully, also no, the Nyamia say, also no, yen share that in Ghana for be breeze. We have few number of Ghanaians over there. Mainly, they are students. And thankfully, Obia is safe as we speak. We have no report of any casualty apart from, of course, Sana Munina Moti, our own brother, Christian Achua. Thankfully, I understand he's been secured and hospital is now under medical attention. And yes, generally in a situation the Rebecca said in Yankupansi, but of course, say whether you are closer to the place or not, as long as you live in the same country, naturally, you will experience some panic. And all of us were in panic, and because it's also a very heavy way, a high magnitude earthquake, those of us who are even living a bit far, experience the aftershocks. Wow. I know that for sure, sir. There were a lot of couple of Ghanaian brothers on Monday saying they had to exit their homes, apartments, to stay outside from morning till evening because they experienced multiple aftershocks. You can just imagine. The weather is very cold because it's snowing here and all of that. They had to spend the whole day outside because they were scared, of returning to their homes. But thankfully, after that, yeah, that's the situation now. It's good.
Okay, so you can say to the best of your knowledge, Ghana for do na Ujiri say Monsasu Mosu Monisu Mosuno, Yemudu Dona, we are safe.
We are safe. We are safe. In fact, Anope Kranomene can say in collaboration with the embassy, we are trying to see the few who are in those areas, we are trying to evacuate them to Istanbul and Ankara. Where we have made arrangement for a place for them to stay until such a time where Bibia be normal. Now, what is next? Yeah.
Well, but the recovery rate is what is quite fast. Why GDP, Osha Onkano, Equanim Kama there.
Equanim Kama. Now, there are challenges, of course. Challenges now, I want to say. Challenges now, I want to say. Road network, because of the earthquake, it's been affected severely. And, our transportation has been difficult. One, some of the roads have been closed. And the weather condition is not good at all. Very cold winter. Some places no snow or honeymoon. So what it means is that even you have to be careful. You cannot run a normal way because of the ice. And these are all challenges. And another thing, earthquake, did not happen at one place. Like I said, it happened at multiple locations. And you have to spread personnel everywhere. In fact, now the challenge is that because it happened in multiple places, and the effect is that huge, the pace, is not very, very fast. But there are some international rescuers, in fact, from I think some 30-something countries. They have come. They are also supporting. And the situation. This is how it is. They are doing their best, but the situation is quite challenging.
All right, Doc.
Yeah.
And we continue to pray for Adeshia Ohonyati to Ghana, Adeshia, and Onyamisu Nshira, the embassy, and your good self, team,
Say the collaborate ya mo pese mo boama Ghana for ho atoche kakra no. Which is a situation. We wish you all guys well. Brano, you be din komo. Yeah, that's it. Please, insights way. Abre. So that's it. Yeah, cost then I'm for Obia Nebra Obo, but we heard the Okanya for to the best of his knowledge. Unyamine Ghana for a 100 do na dini na we share kra na muntu a embassy no ne ono so ni team no mutu just to fish out and help Ghanaians almost because ehu kakra bi afa system nim ene omu kra bi omo prepare omo di dem kakra for now yen tie say Ghana ni bia ashire ne kwa to the best of my knowledge said yes erade so nkoso nkra won ne wona aka nyina no Syria Turkey adehye wo nyina no na bia nko kama kwa nya me fa so jimbo fra kwa na ne won play be hwe from kakwada ebe survive bia be call off e dan be dwuregu nipa do na abehwere on campaign for ba mofra wo mu nyina ubekokora bi bia won za kwada twe ka twe ka no oda ona at bibiansi so nyame ye da wase wo ye nyame a de ho to so ye ni mu ntimi ngo ase da musuo ni san rade manen pare ye pia no pa bia no lead us not into temptation a key. It's very important because what if you know fiba rade hu moba the recital and believe that it will happen because a sign any way to for the rate at which they are working. Any young person carelessness is your talk. Time is shown to an universal wipe and yajuma. It will be a message. Once then it's a jam. Now, if one can't see one highway. So, no money be a home apart from natural disaster. No money be a young casa if young casa contribute to or the one break result to me say break part. No, I wait. Or the mayor, Kokosech, mayor.
I don't also on the experience.
Mayor, sir, or the experience, Zusura. No money be a what? Young Cassia Bench Messia, no, or the Yamishi Shemuno, Ebe Femco, Yamishi Shed, Ebe Femco, Crown, be a white Nipa Namana Bassa, climate change who's common bino. No more be bro, I assassin, no more be you know, no more quiet, and Tigana Fontio. Ebe do brebi, also Pesicado door. You are illegal mining. Ebe we eche no. Na yari sa na ewu sa da fi ye de sha be for this kind of thing na e ka okwa. Mesre. Enyo mani bo say ye di sua de entem kwa ye ni ebugu sa. Kwa ye ni eton sa.
Well so e wo ho for a purpose. I'm telling you. You na sisi wo e boy ye ho ban yo.
Enti no.
Ye twa ni nyina agu inframa na e ba. Ye dan na na be ba so.
O ti potem bi wo hu say ha ye say asase we dey ye jato ho no 19 kojo nsuo nko enenum obi atwa fa so ye say obe kokora no wan hia okora be boat o krafio then serious sir mo so the antrack for an hour for na ifui kakra bi 5 minutes 2 minutes enko enkrata so
I mean kind sa crime Kasua 2 arrested for defrauding by false pretense.
Hey, Muslim cars ready.
Young guys, me no be na de nipa kokodo na too much. As I say, he said Kasua division. The year free. Abna. Obi year free mu.
No, we take advantage.
Ai. Wo mo de ni poster nam. Na mo discuss wo mo de mochre sika o say mo ko yina free mochre. Just say nipa ti me dwene sa adwene we. Enye wo busuani. Na me de me ni me bi mo kokodo. Just say obi busuani no em say so won nam yes wo magege abe 10k de es wo mata so o mageko
ba ebi ni mo adwene no e boni adwene by fast
power. Oh yes obe bitiu
ana Ghana for so wo agidie bi ni ehuma bro bi
o ye ho division commander
yentie basko ya me mfa commander yiri
ensie ye no
asem na benti na ye fa we so etu ye ho fo no yes the commander baby awo bia no erade shouting but one how do odwom kra na
oh yes
na say commander obetua ma na bro so
obetua sa adwen kese
na o aya won hwe nyoma bi atwa mo social media osmosis preacher for mo timi cool space was of market
we ye dey
kan nyame asem pa na ni pa mi munga mu me nam gina na we butu offering oyi na attraction any too much. Nurse found dead after failed marriage.
Can you imagine? And what make kind of say Ghana. Ghana here sure sirum ho.
Ade ni ura na ware na odi
nka. We be man na ku no ho. So or Chimpra Mrs. again. A dear Ned, dear, some how who need tin who and night as I knew Timus when you're broken heart a deep. And as I said, near ferry any dear. And
would you find
ferry any was there. Ah, it's any. No, me who was I dear will say. We are only doing. Eh, dear, one walk. And I was a be a kind. Yes, it was a mobile. Where Jahoko
see we manual didn't cut them. We are on a way.
What did I be?
Before Umano. I don't know.
Oh, near Uncle Foko near my
men's woman. I told you.
Casa. No, no, Casa.
Unam now Budi Paquasia Pisua, and who should so
about
the cano, who is all your smart, or smart you. Obi our Yapasia Bobiano, or cup, and to be a bear. Yes, a vessel. The vessels one more. Yeah. Oh, now I'm for ya, or smoke another quarter social media, or chew before now, or dodging a cool trotro. Ah, the party. Oh, Missy Metria, Missy Metria also put you the oh, Missy Metria, so the police be it's o cap no. Ah, Ebeyema. It's better you stop watching.
New idea.
I bring to the quickly through in terms of what to do the broadcast and for the patron some to say Ghana man pay be such a on aba near the kai must can go for a quarter you know. Yeah, mu bidie. It is a Badwam team na nya wa because him ko for.
Canada.
The Chronicle say a Hunter Traditional Council in disarray over appointment of La Bianca owner as acting president of Infa. A Hunter Traditional Council. Or him okay. Say do Agongo played no role in compilation of Cocoa report or dance the phone because the Kufuor reshuffles Samoa Boateng Asabi Asaba and Kojo Ponkroma campaigns for processing of more cocoa. The new crusading guide, the darling boy of MPP, Brian Champon, and the all-knowing sticker. Katie Amon is also in as Samoa Boateng is here. So we need Enima Baba, a ministerialist in him. New Kings take over NDC bench in Parliament. Kama the 7th of February, no, and Parliament starts na say na munyina ekasakaka. Nana appoints KT Brian Asabi in a reshuffle omufonyi and the long one and overdue OB Amoa. Super talent about local government ma or ye super for Ghana, not necessarily for the MPP. Was sua dia gibre ho nti wabin esa no makai Dr. Callistus era ato ahoy money era doctor in
minister na gasa.
Oh, no so baby no. Emudi edimu pa. Christian Achu rescue responding to treatment. A German SHS dining hall collapse and no other. But
update in a 48. Say 47. 28 year discharge.
Okay, good.
They call more marker.
Jail Ablakwa for contempt. Reverend Kwesi Boateng court and publisher the Obokata say Kufuor picks 3 ministers, promotes Obi Amoa and Anta, and learn from Haruna others, backbring to new leader. And the Ghanaian Times the Iraketi Amona Pampamapa. And a new one her. Kwabna Tahir. Hammond. Oh no, me say about the ministry. Then show from Kwakubuza question. I don't know. We a new minister. Somebody knew that. Yera Katie Hammond, very interesting character. And you are Brian Champon and Samoa Boateng. He needs no introduction. And Auditor General recovers 2.2 billion for state. And what our hand say. And President names new ministers. And all the papers they are talking about it will be out there. You come here.
Yeah, one is here. That was the part of my madaji. Said Bibia bar, Moja Breshe. You knew. Yeah, Kona good year, some Professor Ike Walla said they are bar. If some come home, person, more. What I will menu free and go heavy being say when you kwaba, the betwasso.
Kwaba kesi bende ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo ntwuma die so dia wo kensi wo sempan sakena no pensu ja medin de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Alrentina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi Kunya na me kono quantum koden samado en sakena no penso e wo Ghana gudim eja o hye no so ma me se nwuma kunia miensa ana abom sika dwetem na no penso de nkomon eba 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the intasima which is trying to be for didn't be for trying to kuma bia within kumasa no manum nti abusia for and now for oyere ma offer se for na mukrumo and on na for na di one dance here for mom say 1xbet and any bet aba oni mu feeling wo twa fa honyim isan say bet diwa when betia call wadwe betia bobutim betia san hyehyɛ bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira enye ya no eno ana edi twa bet na mo we nyina chi na so per bet dia 1xbet na medi ho dance here e dia ma je fast message do titahwi infections edro gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa edro prapra hara no mo bro kama e ma otimi di nchine ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu onsabetia ka je fast mixture na boa e ma niam atoto ye e dia ma pomodon sem sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odi efu pampas so be pimo na se a edro ba ko etu asese hom na boa ma niam atito ye de ma no sedimo gel and roll-on kwa shama na mi market enye na ana fetemanso sabetia ka bi se opese utu na okoton ana se otode ye ho de a obetia from pay for 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll-on from pay for ye ntwetwe nkomo ye nhwemwa emaniama 822 infamo madama wo mu anawe eti kwena no pay emiade nkomo wodo ensaka na 8 jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yenshase emfamfi Italian Serie A akensie no so etwensa piemu na team omudin ene Salaminata wo mu anachi Juventus for ene omde tentam so na so Juventus etwomeka miesa wo mu antimi anti FIFA Club World Cup akensie etwensa to from and na jude sum no awon so na yesan di jawo yentu ana mo fa ni etwensa nkyere nkrafo from dia Christian Atwutwa Sam Ghana ni Abrantie osi akan emribe twem edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Abrantie Waribroni na nanwada anono so enya contract we take share so a we say okusi akensi ho be se ne na 9 ye no Abrantie no quite fan sample so atenamna na the Turkish club no omuginema wo modi akensi kesi 8 fan atentam so na sen temato enkyerem ayasase wo so 8 fan piemu ewo eye Turkish share so no na ba bia club no esi akan ne ho pepepe na ayasa to enkyerem ne kesi pa ne tfe ko fire edan a to so be sidu edwiriye na Christian Atwutwa Sam krane chese wo hye ne dan a etoso enkromu na ekobese ne fo mienu ni no empemfo atimi ehwehwe Abrantie ya tse pane atop no anwuma yentimi anka no na echire kran setimi sanka ne no pa no na eni kansem ede magana fodo na se Christian Atwutwa Sam omgili pass Abrantie no obono modin bebiri na afi so kra modin bo no enam so ma manfo bebiri no so nya kwamisa wasetrema omgili pass Abrantie de eserade edina fofie na yensetimi kano eno esaka Christian Atwutwa Sam no ana Ghana fodo na so edi omunkomo atuansa ba ebi chese eye miracle se Abrantie no yensa etimi aka na ni o yer sabia na o hwe nim se kwambia so no apomudon sem ebegina yi
oye Ghanaian nti bibia ebetu Ghana ni bia no eye ye nyina asegye se ye betu mi ahwehwe no nyame adom so ya ho no nti ye nyaage
o ma hwehwe no musaka no nti eda nyame ase se mi ye Ghana ni a ni da de si ya hwe ya nya ne de ye nya da nyame ase
nyame adom a meti se nyame adom ye yi na oda so won kwam ne de na se aseda na edi ma awurade ne ho aka kakra de na enso no nim se nyame nti ne ho beto no
se wote nkwam ye nyina ye be kai ne mpaibom na ne ho ato no ye ni age pa se nyame agi na frim
me se awurade nyankopon pa ye se ohunu mobo on san yale na ne ho to no
Christian Atwutwa Sam 31 years old Ghanaian player osi akan ewo Turkish so no ana tse Ghana fo bi nso ede nasia eni kabia emerade se Abrantie ne yetime se hunu nkra ne chese Christian Atwutwa Sam memra na atwankyere mu abofo ehwehwe nkofo mu ne nkraman ne ade ehwehwe no na Abrantie ne te ba bia okekem esu from se momra na omo emeje no anampaniampa omkoso ni mu ani wom de na kopiem arsa nkra ne chese bibia aguso ekoye ede ma Abrantie ne nyame adoma ne ho ebetua sa toro na fo etia be katias fo ho na yetimia san sum asasi yemfa ni nkyire nkrafo fom dia Black Stars winger friend se Kamara Din Sulemana ono so se na ni agiye Paisans na sentem wakọ sign contract e de Amsterdam team bubuku no na EPL eye jesi awode chiwi ase afana nyina mo bia hu sene ne Mexico no ugili pa se ni kasem e de ma no 20 years old speed stay e de nkomo kakra tia sa ba so hwe nim se nyame adoma obetua sa to aso dan ho adi wo Kwanston ko so e wo Saddam team for akache
Obviously played in the World Cup.
See, Commander Dini Suleimana, Bonyoma, a Tarin and Melbourne, who says, and says, Saddam Timbubukono, one more, and I read that to Okra, our EPA, Kinsey, almost 21 week, no, and Omatia Boa, more 15 points now. So, Commander Dini, AGD passing Yadoma, Obetia com, actually, do if you so send a confonochi, maybe create more sentimental, at the Amasadam Tenso, Ethan Sajini, our Omujumedia, Egusu 18. Yentintum El Ghana Football Association, so Akachia, former Ghana Football Association President, George Akwesefri, and so then Komoka Credit Fiansa Bija, now Omo Action himself can be as some players. A bit in Sako camp, and I feel Omo campaign so effective, and only bit in Boa, and my black galaxies, a can't remember my manatena, near my Etiaqui, Ediamum Nemum, near whom our channel can case in with GD Passe, and Yadia, a Segana.
We don't follow consistency. In football development, sometimes consistency plays a role. Some of the players that you used to qualify the team to Algeria were dropped. So we are not consistent. We don't have a solid program where we make sure that we follow it through. That is the problem. It is not about ranking. Ranking can be done because we've seen countries rank outside the world top 20 coming into major competitions and excelling. We've seen it all the time. We see it always. So it's not necessarily
about Ghana Premier League na air course na MTN FA Cup and so atwam na any northern sector so much as be between Saba so Kumase can find large gusa say inshallah onyame tumiti ombekwa akomanim omne step fast na be hyesia kana fadua na stars na do mahene team no wo any Kumase Krobia Asante Kotoko na dia kensi ne betin aboso afen surataman eton said the BB United na omahia Retamle United any FC Samates e de bebo so omdwumedia wo so egusu ne yeko e southern sector na so dia na se matches no e bi so e betia to fam e wo honom na eye kuma second fire medican e de omokomo na ba e northern sector Liberty Professionals the beton sadia fair Dreams Football Club e was southern sector no dia pem so Legon City ene Volta Rangers Beaches ya kana fi Hearts of Lions ene Sky FC and so dia kensi ne bebo so na fe Mysterious Abusia bonto drafts wo mo ene Kutukurias ene dia kensi ne e betia boss we MTN FA Cup matches awodo a eno so 8 PM e wo mo hye awodo a wo mo so egusu 8 after the draw the chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee Rebel Sinatha eden komo ka Fiansa ba e say nyame adoma sa matches between 24th of February and 26th of February no ana ye de ebetin tam so ntimi am ya awodo a wo a obete say ebo MTN FA Cup matches no hono na watua akohwe sebe a wo teams a ewo ompotem no nyama ebetin akoyi edi amon.
The most exciting thrilling competition we have in Ghana football, the MTN FA Cup competition. We started with 48 Division 1 clubs, 44 Division 2 clubs, 18 Premier Leagues. We have only 16 standing. And if you track the performances, if you track the value of entertainment we've saved, you would understand that indeed MTN FA Cup is the most exciting tournament and the most thrilling, the most valuable tournament we have in Ghana football. The tradition will go on. At this round of 16, which is the fourth stage, we will have 16 teams, 8 matches, 8 pairings. And I'm sure at the end of this process, we will see very exciting matches because we've zoned the teams into 2, northern and southern zone. So we will still have the local derbies, we will still have the magic, and this time we will focus on pushing the stars, promoting the stars. And I know you all are here to witness the wonderful parents we're about to see, and at the end of the day, from 24th to the weekend of 26th, we'll
Enti mame fancy na me na wase na me sanche opi ba chen so me say sports birthdays and be pima Kobe the scavenger okumankra okramankra ba kwa waka enstruja ene eye ne birthday enti be bia Kobe the scavenger Kobe Stone obia no fantastic birthday morning ene nkoma na da Kobe eya na wadada ho esan se ene ewa woda pa na mame so odin ene Joy Sapon ho Joy Sapon oba eye Joy Sapon sa Sian Joyce Amponsa, okay, Madam Joyce Amponsa, Oba Enoch, our Hanum, or a camera guy to Miss Amposo, camera muna ucha, and Yasam Kitu Cranty, Madam Joyce Sapon, also baby a wo bia no fantastic birthday morning ana entimi enkoma baby bia onso bia fa we so edada ho temene na de danda ho fandada ho Madam Joyce fandada ho na bibia enkoye enfama so no so ma say Jeffers Health Limited e Jeffers and the tertiary and afi 1xbet have always told you that betting there better than sakawa and afi nsukra no edru friends Sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel omina tertiary boy e bedu sampempen so me de nkomo no etimi esa brel within the profit kiwala sagudi catch back up and am the evidence based representation it message out uti adwumadi dia na ma wo shibubu ashi kanisha gbubulo shi fiada baka kopimbo meka dan suma da kuma kofodua sunsam kedibodua smaka sebrima mponten fade kitekrache kopim sodu wini ba kaswanya na kwati mpuko so jaman akosumu ene ne hye soso ga kopeda bala hoho ye kochitu adidome eko hope for ni chirim ekpando konkoko bomi obu nkwatia na afodu ani etwen sa chirim bepon afetwem kona na do mahina tan wo do ma ahenkro kobechim kobrekum kosunyan na afi kodua nkwanta tim samanfo a ehwe ne nyasem keto akra ebusuya menso esudie sister Sandy be a guy e can entertainment dia untime ne sister Sandy be enye entertainment de site obi baby catching obi say sister Sandy dia utim sampene or the healer ne tenten no ene mantia faja to pe anaba na me adoma ha be de ntibomodi ada so obekoso akachire busuafo ene nafofo oyere o mane wo fasefo ne mpenafo ina say sister Sandy be a guy and Ebanest Adom TV. So Prof Sabrina, the act of being a good guest is to not say goodbye.
It's been 5 years on since the Queen passed. Ebony, 5 years in Fianum. Wow. Guy, dear me, a guy named Mama Seminole Arrow. It's like it was just like yesterday. Nah, you know, standing yes, I didn't need to for phone. Yeah. And suddenly it's just, you know, we want to talk to the father. If I see a business and say 5 years on, it's the same. So a jollof party no, na ne hoijenia. Young Connie and Star Boy Quatin. Ebony Papa and Chichin Como. It was him. Hello, Daddy Pacho. Good morning.
Mami.
Papa, me pasho yabo. Me pasho nyame adom me hoye pa na wonso e.
Nyame adom mo pa e bo me so hoye pa.
Yeah, there right. Yeah, we are so happy to see you so well. Yani aje se wo ahodi an hoye pa.
Thank you.
It's been 5 years since Ghana this year, which I wo ba ankasa e free mu. 5 years on, then asesa, then a new thing. What is happening? Family no hoye.
Yo, me that's it, Nana. That's why. Yes, 5 years hasn't been easy. We've been through trauma. So I would say, yeah, bre, na so no. Said that there be a near cano. Yankopon, let him there now. It hasn't been easy one bit, but we are coping because we couldn't change nothing. Inti yo huwa de mom no na hema de said the mommy wouldn't know. She's always been in our memory. Just say, yeah, done. Until that is it. 5 years on, yes. All too soon. It's 5 years now.
Okay, na yenya nintie se ene mo bekwa musie ho no me pacho abusuankwa na ekọ na public na ye open and the fans bi betimi a join mo.
Yo, obi abetimi aba say na hima no more or less no a public figure. Enti obi abetimi aba na oba me nyina yakọ. Obi mbe hia ye honum ebinum beba nti enye family nko a obi a office obetimi am yakọ no ya bekọ no yakọ rate na fe normal ritual no na ya ye na je say ya de ahye na hema animonyam.
Okay, na daddy me pacho 5 years on driver na oka ye ebuni mo ho asem ni see no maintain asem ni bi me agya mu ana yenya results be because he was part of them when asem ni see driver na asem akosi saying.
You made that say, I've been talking and I've been, I don't know. I would say I've been screaming rather. Because my team watch it, driver no till date, no. Oh, but I see at the court. Won't it be, nobody has told you anything, nobody said anything to you. And as it stands now, no, I would say, maintain driver no be and nobody has also said anything. A woman on say I know muti CBO, I see it as such. Me feel say we are na
almost like come and no have a reaction. But I see that as very unfortunate. Because Oma better say, I remember there was a time I will be on baby free station one say, Matisi has a branch in Aquacogina court. Na finally no AC AG Attorney General I can say on my findings which I say now on driver's license now fears now or driving reckless until you never could court to be Martin once MBM nobody said anything to me until Nyame I don't know, I actually don't know what is happening.
But is it you and our family nina I did drive and a court and now you will be for send a bear bit me a check car.
There be Yamina me didn't call you. Said driver an idea from day one now because many mammy were Emra assembly, you know, I had gone to her office, Menina and Kasaka.
Okay.
Until find this in a buy and investigation or movie in a buy. I was only giving this say the driver did not do no wrong. Imagine that. Said the driver no or no so no risking a life. They did for fear or to be free. There's nothing they could do to him. They couldn't even charge him because he did no wrong. And Mammy besides is that the case? Indeed, Mammy T1 Kajam I into a more say boy na yet mistake be and Mammy can say some time back. Na me quite brooch, but now make.
Wow. Na enti sa no 5 years on daddy dem pa na wakoma so ade ne saying then I will share 5 years on no what do you wish for?
I would wish I had justice for this pretty queen. Yes, it's all justice because for me I've always said it and I'm saying this here. Say Nana Hema was murdered. I've said it and I will always say so. Wow. For reasons best known to me.
Okay.
She was murdered. And only the gang, were murdered. Yes, they were. I've said it. I'm not missing words here, sweetheart.
Now, that one so be once I see BB so now they can say she was murdered.
I mean, what did you say? If those investigators not had done their work so well, I believe they can unravel all these. Why? In this, I would have appreciated if the investigators and also the team had invited him to take 1 or 2 from him. Who knows? They might have, maybe who knows. So, and no nonsense. Maybe let's say that Saturday accident is here and Atadi Ashano. Namoja Bakuanim. Terry, Namisa investigators what happened or say, maybe any dread, and I so could that much. And I was like, wow. Because the PSC Mojaba. Talk of Obia, oh my goodness. And see, there's everything to suggest to me, sweetheart, there's everything because the investigation, if you ask me, was not properly done. I will say this. Yes. Because maybe I said, me say other jurisdictions know what I know to say. Bibi says yeah, driver no. And tell na you bet me at the key sample be say be na one no sana and just that there were things to be done that they did not do to arrive.
Okay, daddy, only make sure was cemetery honum and anope na magic full interview no. Me pesa make I we anope. Iti kaisha was cemetery ho na magic full information in na.
Very well so.
Me pa sure me da sipi so nya amre ne cheche nkoma na no pe.
Me da se.
Nya me nka ho nkoso ama wa hoden.
Amen.
Me da sipi.
Da se.
Okay. Eti eboni papa ne ne cheche nkomo 5 years on since a queen no eja ye honom no o papa ho te sen ni sen na ekọ na anope wati bi no. He still YN Productions na edi sini wanwaswe abre na in the course of Ghana forecast sinicha ejumani ni hon sister we say it seems they be our producer be my end ni sini no so quality ni too dope and never besha mu fi ha say enyo no nko ne fafali and me pacha wa kwa ba shronko me mama kwa ba answer na ye be kon komo ne so pese me kan say Mitchell it seems they be our sini no my new faces na chance pa and the last time I was asking Kofi Asamoah say ne chechin come say I don't know Nigeria for the my new faces, but hardly say Mubeyebi. Big congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Now, what makes you feature new faces no?
Say me start here no obi ne home in a mama chance no. Into no shout outs to Abdul Salam.
Wow.
Into yeah make kai pa na that time no so na ikofo come ho asem na Salama ka say oh no she can do it so he believed in me and on my platform, you know. Misumenya fame now, I also have to give back and do the same thing.
Okay, but oh yes, I know. How and I say, send your cousin and say she can do it, she can do it. I do Emma fans and Osha and Kofia feature mono. How and I saw what it was said so.
I'm to meet it. Yeah, sometimes, but for someone like Senna, Jacqueline Mensah, my try movie be me Senna and Jacqueline try and moving about out and Kofobe Pepper. They were so good at Ejumano, call timer, beba time, no. Okay. Well behaved on set, For me, working with new faces like Senna, a delight.
Go Senna. Talking of Jackie, you on TikTok, me patrol honum.
TikTok, yeah, I mean to me, it's too much.
Stressful.
Yeah, I don't know, I can't do it.
But you hear say Abaya Jackie or so, or you need so you hear that a lot.
Yes.
What do you think? Osha or so power you need so.
Kakra, me na video we had to reenact a scene in Princess Tyra na. Na me no boa me to me TikTok.
Okay.
So anytime I'm with her, we'll do a video, but say me huna I just say TikTok I'm off.
Okay, because me tete say Jackie so or any near to say one even I say they all casa they all smiling near my sana me boa they all nanti me what say guy they even also pepe but I feel say it's good for her say when you be bisa because o sha oda bre ho ebe boa no afi yen kon so ade kwenti ene mo wa ha say kotoka. The first thing I said me who singing was sister Yvonne sell kotoka pound e kwan kasa na mutwa no.
Yes.
Permission no way. Wow, what else?
No, not really. People don't know, but opese ultra anything at airport obeko omo commercial services side.
Okay.
It's at the airport. Into your call honum your the scripts nature omo catch and say yeah ensure your cast and crew. I did that over 20 people. And on more daily rates, so I'll bet here. So it wasn't for free.
So
no.
It wasn't easy sending you who knows.
No. Because we make it look easy and we make it everything look like okay. But so much went into it. And I started seeing more casa like months ahead.
Wow.
And it's not planning, no. Yeah.
And yeah, mommy once Yvonne said na make her say yes, it's in the church, man, no egwa hodini ho. But you keep pushing and your production from day one, we're singing in eye very tight. Picture quality, sound quality, everything. And I think say Patrol Joe Flowers about it. Sana,
hello.
We are singing training dada.
Me na me stage play. Into where my first production of my major production.
So first time shooting alongside Yvonne Nelson. She's Yvonne Nelson.
Like
Yvonne Nelson. Feeling it to say.
It's amazing because I always tell her the backstory. My auditioner manager when I was in uni, every weekend be I'm back
for real.
I'm Kumasi.
Okay.
Every weekend be I'm back. I'm the audition man at time before heels and sneakers one family. I in the school. I was in the school mano into one family and it boom my bempa and then fast forward no. One time I was just like me sending a DM on Instagram and I'm now.
For real. But were you tense on set? I mean, Yvonne Nelson, Majid, these big acts, were you tense?
Yes.
So how did you cure it?
Yvonne is somebody I never want to disappoint. Like, she's the first person to give me this opportunity. It's a big deal to me.
Okay.
And there's no way I don't want to disappoint her. What I say. And see, working with her, and I always just want to, put my best out there for her to know, say, you never know in the future. Oh, here we be. I know.
And me stand real quick. Say, best, no. Was it best? Was it best for you?
She's good, oh. She's a natural. She's a natural.
We can't wait to watch the movie and show performance.
Thank you.
Akunya way very large, very big. Why you know? Meaning baby as in Nebeko. You're the radius for the role that you played. Now, Sister Yvonne Patrona, I will make it tweety. Twitter, how the other make it. Twitter, how the other make it near my pound. Do you have problems with people in the industry, or do people have problems with your posts, your beauty, your money, your fame? Do people have problem with that? Because I know I tweet you, make it. It's like shots on shots.
Yeah, me no, me and I say, watching me from afar, you'd realize say, and yes, and me promoting movie cranka. You would not even see me with your eyes like this, So I mind my business, but me want to say, Ghana for maybe industry for no penokre and obi kind of story allow the person to tell their story. Like, this is my story and I'm telling it. Why do you have a problem with it? If you have a problem with it, don't read it, don't watch me, don't listen.
Member page in the first place.
It means you're stalking me. So why do you keep watching me and you have a problem? And I do have a problem with you when you're telling your story. Yeah. So why do you have a problem with me? I feel that there's so many little people out there who can't stand me.
Okay.
They are so little. They are small people.
Do you know why? Any reason why they can't stand you? Because you're so beautiful. You have money. I know you have. I know you have money. I know that mansion on the river. I know you have money. That mansion on the river. You're the person, the richest actress.
Oh, please. I am not. I'm just okay.
What's your say? Because that house on the river, that mansion.
It's a small house, so small, cute house. Okay. It's not a mansion.
Hey, island in one. Island, I'm sister island,
Island Kitwe.
But who headline this now? How do you feel? What's the headline stories? What can I say?
Yeah.
On sorry, you're done in near true BB. How do you feel about all that?
Omo kasa no. And then my book never out there.
Your book?
Yes,
wow.
Yes. I'm writing a book. I'm doing a memoir. It will be out soon. Yeah, when you hear my story, then I'll be like, I mean the whole story. Say way too much more there.
You're relaxing.
They will need doctors.
But okay, baby, number say me bisa that. I not your for interview now. But when you are promoting something, you come on board. What's the reason? Only media for you beef na.
Trust me, if I'm not promoting any movie, nobody wants to talk to me. I mean, that's how I see it. But anyone who wants to interview me, yeah, I try to avail myself. And my manager is here. Oh, my manager is here. But I'll do better. I'll do better.
Now, uncha when share adeo ayi so ma make a current me who be bisa, and there was coming from Edusafua. I don't know the issue. Do you even have an issue with Jackie Appiah in the first place?
Jackie was meant to be in Fixers. You know, also sometimes you go for an interview and they will ask you questions. But I'm not that kind of person who would avoid that question, just so people think, oh, there's something going on. No. I called Jackie for Fixers. And she wasn't available. What problem? But I feel like maybe our industry there were so many people so along the line, when you're telling the story, you cannot leave certain names out. Like I can't leave Majid's name out. I can't leave, let's say, Okoro, Jackie. You have to mention their name. So maybe people have issues with that. But you know, they are part of the story and you have to tell it.
But do you know Edusafua herself?
I know she organized one
awards
event. Yeah. She gave me an award.
Yes.
And I see that she stalks my page a lot. Yeah, she does.
But is Jackie avoiding you in any way?
Jackie, I haven't seen Jackie in so long.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe when she goes for interviews, maybe they don't ask her about me.
No.
But maybe because of my ban.
Yes.
Every single time the topic comes up. And I don't avoid such questions. I mean,
wow. Yvonne Nelson and not here to change on Kwa on Fafali and now why in production the new movie about Kotoka. Fafali. Sini no head trailer na kwa na say keka you know ticket on express pay.
Yes.
Inti no ye na e social no ho na nam ho to ticket be express pay ho. But the movie Uchebi, it's saying my storyline kakre. My tia, can you na? I saw one best.
Of course.
And can
you na who movie near so we are.
You know why production is tight. What much I move in?
Yeah, who yeah.
Okay.
Oh, but movie storyline is very interesting. The story is about two women.
Okay.
One is really well to do, good social standing, and the other one I saw unemployed graduates be now all finding it feet, but making decision be ultimately affect your more life and in life more so basically, if they're able to cross the boarding gate or not, no, it's all dependent on a certain situation.
Wow.
You now go move in.
I don't know for the situation.
I don't know for the
come on.
Nice.
Let's see.
Free, madam.
Seriously, this day should do a title. But even for one outro movies and auto scripts.
There be mentor script internet. Yeah, I mean, who said people message me so more story.
Yeah.
Yeah. On says Sunday Monday creative issues, my production company. So all the movies I have produced, they're all my stories.
Your stories, your own stories.
Yeah, but
copyright.
True story.
For real.
Yeah, it's something that happened in Ghana, Banco for Refi. Yeah, you know, so but it's about drugs. It's about drugs. Yeah.
Hey, sister, we are genius. So you're just, what you're just in simple. You're aside express pay on Patreon if they bring a ticket at all.
Patreon, so more tickets they can go to the Silverbird Cinemas. We're selling tickets there. Today they can go, tomorrow, or on the day of the premiere.
Okay.
To be a content no more.
Okay. I shall have a Joy FM front day, so I high okay. To people who want to watch, the person be a question. Andy Dusty, why Andy? Why Andy Dusty? I saw him. I was like, Andy Dusty.
Yeah. And you know, I think last year, when I was promoting one of my movies, I went on his show and we're talking. He's like, oh, he used to act too. And I said, oh, stop your joke. I said, no, like he's been acting. So whilst casting for Kotokano, Mekaya said, you know, Andy once told me, my friend, I'll be available. And your schedule.
That was dope.
Yeah.
And I learned you pay so well. So the next time, Nelson,
I try.
I pay well.
Kakra.
My test for more interesting, I think so. Pana. That is once obunity. That is very appreciative. Yeah, that's the pan. But when we are monster, man, say you are so good. You are beautiful. You are very humble. That's what people don't know. You are very humble and unsure. When I was set, people out there think you are, you know.
Yeah.
You are very humble. Yeah, that's a Ghana more equal. What's your see, Joe flower. Mama flower, the beverage. If I chose today, no 14th February, young Koshe Kutukana, young support a YN production. You know, say everything from YN is too dope. And add a little. No. Once you see can go to the patch. Mommy and Koshe be post flyers now on all social media platforms. Now, where home baby are being a ticket. Today is 5 years as Alia Ebony a free. What do you remember her for?
Her musical.
Music.
And her style. It's like not on phobia. Yes. It's just herself. Yeah.
Stephen Pasha, what do you remember about Ebony?
Was it me a DC girl? No, say a DC girl. Yeah. So me fear walking distance, and it just breaks my heart.
Wow.
You know? Yeah, it just breaks my heart. Wow. May her soul rest.
May her soul rest in perfect peace. Happy birthday to Joyce Amponsa. Or Shama Joyce Amponsa, a camera technician back in Okosene Mame, and then now water. And the production team in Nasi. Yes, sorry, so much. I'm going to trailer. You better share.
Yada see I'm walk baby me Adom TV Badwam na Ocean Sister Sandy be a guy or the Ahosapena Kugu. Enti efia da say asashia no. Na onfa nsem ebema ho asepewo no ento so emawo enti baby a yedro no yeba bedi enkomo ne mo mame na ya boafo ya se omanda roma eni etimede enkwahia yesu ma fani say Badwam ebrewo na St Andrew Senior High School awofo abatan a wo hwe me so yemfa yema no enko St Andrew Senior High School ye course subject ni nyina wo mu kire bi ye wo boarding ye wo day so ewo ho. It will show me Sabre now per school do bakwa St Andrew Senior High School ho and I was say the mofrano e kro na wo modache e wie ye si wo ye Kelke toothpaste so enkredro e ditwichi won se anopa ene enwumre twitwe ne sa anopa wa ye enwumre so try na ye owofo nso ye ne sa de wo ye na kra na isua enti wodro na ade twusi no to Kelke ni bi nti woto de no so atene de ne nyina ya twitwi yesi eboya nse ne ho ban free enyarwa ahodo mo kidney ni syrup ye mojadro enkura na enum akura no so woni dia mane kidney ni syrup ni bi nom na wa behunu sunsuye ewo na duane die mu nima koi na boya chidom piwak natural health wo mo adro 3p garlic mixture no so eboa ye mpa build your immune system ne boost no emenya hodin ti area bia ba mu abonso odi so enkonim medidi afia amankwa tamaklo Medu a year doctor penny time or daso midima for herbal clinic buakwa ehɔ no mo want to do a taxi no no aka che so wo committee mafo ho nyame nti obeye enti mon koso ane nyi adwuma na TV no guso eche 50 che TV ba ko 50 o sa yare no o sa ya do ye ka ho nyame enhira na enti ase nyame zuru oshiro bia enti do ga no pɛ ye mo ache
yeah na
e da sen so no mre no wadaje ene adwuma ne adoye a wo ye o sa ya no wanyina na o sa cha de
enya asem to
nyame nhyira na so amfade ne ye Peter Nurse wedding kuni.
Yes.
Sa ya da se. Bidi mafo heba clinic. Time oda so.
Time edaso.
Aha, TNT wadaroma.
Yo, mama na Onyankopon ase. Na menchia Adom TV ahwefo nyina nso. Medi mafo heba clinic. Ya ye wo Kumase ebua kwa agogo. Nyankopon Adom ti ayaresa ekoso no aburo nipa adwen ene entiase so. Ukohwe ene ukuada no pa enipa egu ho de ya na ye manika ne se obi obeduru ho bia nso nya na yaresa ewo medimafo heba clinic Dr. Tam da so ama oyalefuo bia enya enidaso ese ne yale a oyale ne befiri ne so se ebefiri wo so ana eye bra wodi wani akyerem ewo Kumase ebua kwa agogo ehɔ na wo ba na wode ebre to wo yare ne so a empa ho abubuafo nantio enifrafo na esines na mpane yi Onyankopon medansini se anano wo bia na ni hunade da ya wo na ba asase so emfinhie aduanan ya na wo fo te se onhunade da de besi mfinhie aduanan a wate medimafo nka oba medimafo Onyankopon adom bosome baako wonu so etime ehunu ade ehun se ewiase efem mame papa baby biara wayare akodu bia ye wo dimafu bi wo Kumase ebua kwa agogo ye on de na dwuma pa ne ne mode mogana fo ama ne edin prekope Dr. Tam da so Dr. Kachiro obi bia o hwe ne se omma Kumase ebua kwa agogo kwan ne nye ne tenten ema no aboa pesese edidi kwan enwa enti se bia wo kwa akwaje wayare sama me ba bia wo a wo yare bia ma ekwan nye tie ema anano na Mr. FM Evna all kase o aso dem na maami bi o mo ne som bese afi ba ko o mu hu no because yale ebo na ontumi nante oba na yetehwim na yepia no de ne ba na no wo ho wo ba bedi yesi maame ne ba aso de ba bedi dance wo aso dem won konkotie me yale ya me dade mu che ya me mahu me dimafo heba Dr. Tam da so aso ye de mi ko Kumase kanimpo ana menyale mpo na mi kura poma ene poma no mato aye de atwene Dr. Kase wo bu na konta be boso me miensa mere wafo ato poma to aguo yentumi enkan enkokorafo a ya sori anantie yentumi enkan ewo me dimafo heba clinic baby bia wo hemi bia be pie mo Kumase ebua kwa agogo na Dr. Tam da so Onyankopon de to me ahye ne nsa wo de ebre to yalefo yale yeso no ofo ne bre ni be ento so baby bia wo hemi bia no kan wakoma to yem da bia da Dr. Tam da so ne nadwumaefo ye tenase ye ni holiday bia wo Ghana ha ye de bia essence wa yale sa ehie ye ntino ye dwuma na behwe adanse ankrofo edie wo medimafo heba clinic obi hwe me doctor me sisi me chika se me kotodwe me kwada me ntumi na me widie mu hyehyeme me na se atata doctor say we mu nyina ye ntatia case wo medimafo heba clinic eye ntatia case fi say one kidney ni one liver nyina asay abepie medimafo heba clinic wo nyina ensa kan won yalesa na se diabetes ya doctor say entatia case stroke wa doctor say entatia case ni nyina ye entatia case wo medimafo heba clinic if we say no pomana ekura wo de ba ene no o ma ho nsan fa pomana nsan so nkofie biem hwi na wutim ene na wo de ba no ye pia wo ba no Nyankopon Adom ti o nsan mla medimafo heba clinic biem no ye fa wo ntena hwi no mu ebiem if we say ɛhɔ na wo be pie mo Dr. Time da so ɛhwɛ wo a maame nansa wo ho beto unko no nansa nyankopon adom ti yale ne na ɛkɔ maame na awotwe Dr. Maw nansa nansa enenum nonsia Dr. Brem pa unti na yale fu ama ne edin Dr. Time da so be pie mo kuma se ebu akwa agogo na doctor wo shebra to yale so no ofo ne bere ni bi ento wo yale so na nya wa yale sa nipa benya wo a efiri yale enti be piem wo kuma se ebu akwa agogo anano maami bi na dance di wo so doctor me manyina se me yabayifuo efise yale aka mi mfinhie mako aduanan me ma apo me ameda obi mantwea ya me sesere na edie fise me kwada me ntumi na me widie mu ehhehye me na ase time me metimi kofo asofo se me nka manum asam na mengu efise me yabayifo me mami ya pona wada obi mantwe o esa yade enti obi dumfo bi oba me di mafo heba clinic ena obenwu ya na yale call ya na ohu se me yale ne mami asomase yale ese Yes, I know the acheche me mekwa kofa mami aba mami kofa no de ne ba me di mafo heba clinic na ye hye nsan na awotwe wonsan mra biem na mami ba na awotwe oba na awotwe no ne ma apunsa wo ye bayifo no mako enum asata de fita ebeda nyankopon ase ye mami yale na eha no yale dia na yale safo ewo hen yale nti na ye boye mami se wo ye bayifo yi enhyira ne yen awurade nyankopon wiase nyina tumfo no ewo ebere nipa eboka nipa etu sika guo na enipa prepa ayaresa na woyi Dr. Time da so abase obi biala obepage nani ahwe Dr. Time da so asye ya ewo kumase ebu akwa agogo no nyankopon adom ti obenya na yaresa be piem wo kumase ebu akwa agogo na doctor wo she ebere to yare so no o she ni brani bi ento wo yare so efise nipa benya wo efi yadem adanse nkrofo die anano papa bi wo se doctor mama me di adanse ama okura nka nyankopon entua meka efise me yale ya me da hospital manti bibia biem kosi se ye ka se ba bia duro die yemfa no nkofie ma ho hwe kosi se mani tin ya me bisa me ma se ye de ko time da so was enti na time da so se na no kure trodo na me se bia se de bebere beka na etie sa no no so de ye de etie mekwa akodi adanse ama Dr. Time da so papa bi say medi mfinhia dio wotwe enum me yale me hoto me dienso ekwan koda mo fa so sa me yale no mo nkyere me anye sa me ntiase da efise baabi a me koduru ya me nananamo nsamanfo eto ye nsafre me no na nya de se mesan ba ni party bia mu biem ya obi e wo han me da be fa me ba ha edi na nsa masan asore agina me na so no Monchreme, Doctor C.
Dog me a number no.
Onyankopon de yale nyina so tumi asenensa. Doctor ehia obi obetua na mon abepiem ewo medimafo heba clinic na wanya na yale sa. Yemfa yale ma ho ensan so mfa nko efie biem. Sa ba bia wo hwe ya wo behu ye okumase ebu akwa agogo. Ye number ye 0244 77 4282 0244 77 4282 0500 727215 0500 727215 se Kumasi Ebuakwa police station usi police station wo pe bisasa me kwa time da so wo pe kura wura police station wo na ku bisasa me kwa time da so ye be kira text no na bra me catch wo say yalea ena wo de ba no o nsanso fan kofie biem efise bebre di won yalea eba ena onkodru fie no na ekọ ewo medimafo heba kun se odimafo ne ewurade ona ede time no eto so ewurade bre de wumi se empa honti na oba na Dr. Time da so de ne bre eto so a empa ho da se wo wa bolga temale na vrongo Emma kwana nya tintin ma kwana tie na anopai ye bie ye clinic ye twen say bra na beje wa ya sa ewo kumase abua kwa agogo
ya da se nyamisha papa nti TV no be chamba
TV ni die baso Easter Monday e 50 ye chama wona wo card ewo medima for her back nti pe bidia if you ne koya bla na beje wo card
ani e card ye ba beje ato
yes if you ne koya beje wo card
ya da se Dr. Time da so na ye te no enka no number no de ato ho no medofo e wo screen na se frɛ no na de obo so de wa mo so kra no penchemu a Dr. Time da so na wone no e di enkomo nti mini dog ewie adaroma ye besa to aso ma men twa me ho ketu ayimra na mo nkomo special one bi oho ye bane ato aso sepa sa mo akwa babie me Adom TV Badwam na o hwe na fisem nkomo ene yedie na mamenye sa birthday dedication especially one pa from my boss PK and you know happy birthday Louis Yabuatano we are technical director NPM Department of Huawei Technologies SA Ghana Limited Mr. Louis Tano Yabuatano I mean read it bro for now. As you celebrate your birthday today, we wish you, Minister Louis Yabuatano, long life with heavenly blessings. You are really special to us, and God richly bless you. You are not getting older, just refined. Happy birthday from all of us at Counseling Department of the Action Chapel International Prayer Cathedral, Spentes. Tinyami Shao, Mr. Louis Yabuatano. Happy birthday. Enko Emma Ebiebun so ha Joyce Amponsan o Ashaman Lebano anasa Ashama Hiva Jericho you know kase Ashama Jericho happy birthday enko ma Joyce Amponsan Nyamisha onyo kese pa from Enoch and camera technician or what say happy birthday so from Eric Yamwa also ewo multimedia MCR Eric Yamwa ono so de Manuel Adoko Yamwa ono ane ba and the sister so nanama or boase and na wone sister ne ba and Yamwa ba to mu nyina du am birthday ne nti happy birthday nkoma mu nyina nyamishira mo nyamu kese kosi se mboye kese pa February 4 no mo do so ba mo nto April 4 no na minu aba wotemi nsem ha yisoso enu ana na woda na chense ne enu ano but asenne no wa ye fedodo nyamishira na ebuso a any day time na say oh blankesa anti etonam MFA happy birthday
if you are baby
the whole of February na order nti eje belated still it's your day nyamishira na sidie ne ahofe ento aso
amen
nyamenye okese no adwuma wo ye enye kese sa
amen
yey okumankra ba ko amaka ene wa woda be ma ope birthday mi mu bi da in the pictures jai ko bi nyamishira what in fear wadie 30 say 30 ko bi me hwa ba mi 37 ti nyamishira na onye okese na sade o mani pastre no erade ma wonsre sa wakoma so bi sade erade nyama happy birthday Kobe Stone Alexander Kobna Stone aka okumankra ba ko amaka ansio jo so se de ensio ja na menyo kese na onye okese pa ti oba mi sa mu akwa babiem classroom projects koso na me ani mu ni omaya de pa na minister na sem no kan na mi se by na mi so wadwen hu asesana no because eya papa ye beka nyanso a ye beka yanka be de hu minister unnam sa unhu wachi ti je se obi yi wasitire nya ne bone so obi gu o man nanim ase da bi obi bia ne wode ne nsabonkum be kire ne krom kwan enye saada ba no kro no wo ho e wo se yetie nyima bebre ha adwe na wo ekra na hu na asa wo ya offended penny enye offended why na e reality e wo ho wo de nyame adom bi a wo mani ho ti ye ka ye ntwen ma ne mumu nkra ne so ma ya te ho committee esa eya wo be free mu so wo ko school no wa free mu saa o saa kwan no so a eya josoman o adwuraman fo de oh obatan wada because nim so de ne ma ko school he dani ho na ko dwuragu won so obi en free mu de ne so hu plaster tare wo mu ho na no kra no oh nti minister adwuma na den pressure ne so ti me sure say out of bia frustration no me ade nti bia na wakasa me sure say ba na wada adwen hu say bia de we aka na antwa yi enye hwe nipa nyame kra de ye che de ye nipa nti omo de ache ebefa unu team no mo ya de classroom project ya ne sa tetimre ni mu anka bia anka medru ha ti ma negative thought bia mu mabam amko so anu munye make bia nene de di kan bi classroom project na ye de oba yehu kakra na ye hwe de yeko.
If you look at last year around December, latter part of December, I think exactly on the 31st December 2022, and yes re amamfo say kakribia wo bia no fabra na ye ko nkromi no so zona yili e wo northern region e wo tolong ana brema jamra and also central region.
Our baby.
Exactly. Why do we have to go there? That was because ye share school nine these two communities na enye papa
and some ko oti
exactly you call and sha na assembly bia kosi esida nye say esida ebi nie na wo ka Edwaman school esi enti no emrepi journalist no hwe nsem na ye de tudwana ya na ye areho say nia your friend is saying Jamraman SHS Edwaman senior high na mete enti no yen so ye de enye de say ye be ye those kind of reports every day and nonti ye call Tolon any ye call central region Brema and who says school na me no ya hwe anya ho bibia ebia na akwa to say the AC nansi ye dia no and yes eja ye ni de enro ne say ye reporters ye beka omo amowo near what they have those people who have what it takes ebetimi aboa ama ye de insesaye aba nkrowe mi no so no ye stress omo de sa emwa ne beboa nkrowe mi no ye de ni say emwa bi o de bebre no ye de bekosa nkrowe mi no so say what de enua aba o say what the roofing sheet o say what the cement or nail o doors o bibia school dan be hia no what they buy because improve. So that was what we started in December last year, 31st December 2022. It's been exactly 1 year. Many will say Brema Jamra Dino. You do roofing level. And you money
2021. Oh,
because 2022.
No, we are 1 year.
You are 2023. And you started
31st 2022.
31st, okay, so 31st 2021 we are correct. And yes, started so exactly 1 year. And year na ejuma na shasi. And you know, your friend is saying Brema Jamra, to say the American, you do roofing level. But moyana ye nya so far no. Esi enso ejuma ni asa. And you know, ya baby ye en ye bomunka say edwuma ni ye nwie and yes
minchwana no kra na wo ho me hu screen so
exactly
na say do roofing it is a DBS fo yi say nyame adonom de bia breye ye de aguso rosters am de bia breye ne de akoguso na mo ye nim say ye kan mo ye ba mo boabo mo ho bra mo bra na mo meboa mo fo wow I say the bricks na I say
yes so you use technology be a friend hydrofoam technology and said in Ghana ha
level
technology ekofa South Africa and it's also because to cut down the cost of furniture and construction and you were talking about DBS and they were one of the first companies who reached out in chance in chance but said okay yendru baby and Enti nwa abo akosoro. Enti kana omode maye no.
Asa.
Ensu baby ya. Aha. Enti no yesre etiefo ni ahwefo. De owo bia yehia enua. Wo hu enua na ye de aguso no. Asa.
Okay.
Insu enua na ye wose ye de aguso no. Ye nru half cry. Aha. Enti so the appeal this morning is that anywhere obetimi aboa se cash ebi nso wo you are into timber production, timber sale, wo hu utuntom plywood, utuntom enua na ye de ye dan obetimi afrɛ na eja ya wo de aboa sankola we
number na wo account number na wo na mo number
ye wo mo number ye MTN number
okay
ma membo number na enche ama 059 30 38 832 mebo biem 059 30 38 832 account name near the multimedia group
okay for momo number no
for momo number no the multimedia group we momo na be buy ho and afen so in case our person ye bank transfer
e ka do mo de tro
number near Access Bank Limited account number near 00901 010 541 91 00901 010 541 91 Access Bank Limited. Bank code near 009 009 and your friend is saying your friend be Swift code e be our brochure aha you unya Swift code na ABN GGHAC ABN GGHAC branch near Castle Road Accra Castle Road Accra
enti no ya sam ne yetia ye boa Breman Jamra na Tolon School no sa kakra bia obenya bia yemfa nko na schools we mofra no wo moda achinti ya na wote se yesi school dan ya dwuragu a na ye wahomete ye ntwen ma ne mu ansa tu kakra bia obenya companies ahodo yenim se system ni mu ayeden na so kakra afia de ba ya fa de say enoko de ba obia de ba jona unso do de ba bon say yekoyanim nti ohwe screen ase a contact no ho kakra obenya bia fabra na enye emefa
enchenchem kakra bia me ho ha me pesa me de ma bebre na adwin say edan no multimedia na esi ama de bi we no et say your friend is self-help project. Bebre na ya trying say aban and enye bibia maye and I say be a philanthropy. It's fine, they can do it. But we want to promote the culture of self-help. It's ejuma no edana wo hu bebre na ye kromu ho no and ombeboa me ye construction no. Into wo beboa ni materials na ne de akokrom ho fo no mo so omo aye de omo ye no
na manu konsuo na mema na mix mortar no ne ade no
yes ye betwen aban a we cannot be able to do much. We will not be able to do much.
Yes, Nyamishramu papa yenyina no so nkomo no ye fancy aseda no de St. Andrew Senior High School KLK toothpaste kidney ministry of pure natural health woman a boy chidoma wote nkomo a eti say mididi afia amankwa tamakloma hina kwabna sante aye krado de pensem mu no etwaso
Esabe da muina masemjidi se abode ro kese na de akyeremo ye da eye afia amankwa tamaklo as sister son be a guy anafe eye Professor Ike Wallace ebra so se de pensem mu bro nonko no pepepe ye peje am yedi ka abode ro na kyerdo da say a potential flag bearer for the new patriotic party ana onyame ya domani ene betwetwe nkomo onyame adom wa beka yensa yene ne betwetwe nkomo an engineer, a businessman, a senior engineer formerly with highways, and the man with the 7-point agenda or the 8 in ate or flag bearer we are and or the beba, the man who believes that even with the issue about road fund administrator, there are issues with it and non-existence. Ebiana a buffer Ghana for so, and that's what that position in existence. The man who believes that not just one step and a man is successful, It depends on the number of steps I'll be taking, because in that steps, in that journey of steps, you know, I could crash here. The man who does not look at the waves and the storm, he believes that it is the matter of focus and determination. I do baby, I say, what do you do? On your perturbed, say, what come Rashibijum now, all lose now, say, now, what come Rashibijum crash, even the flag ship touch you, which he doesn't even believe they ever touch you. The man whose performance was a big surprise, his first attempt at the flag bearership contest in the New Patriotic Party. Mr. Remo, so when you huni pakrodia, can name man pom Rashibijani. When you now won't come home. Whose attention has not been caught by the president in terms of a ministerial appointment, but believes that you don't only serve in the capacity of a minister to get the needed attention or development that you want. Yemfa energy and Syria. Any attentiveness and share. Gampa trained public administrator. You are there anymore. I think come to you so oh, Bihubia. Oh, yes. I learned humility. Sir. A kind say Unipa as a so coso. I work from Pepe. Yeah.
Come as an et ye, Abrabondi, say, Obreo Masia. Yami. And nature be also. And I said, Upeja one. I needed to do some checks at the highways. Yes. And if I am a Cape Coast lecturer and I make sure or testimony and then I make trim my glasses this year. No, I'm travel. I'm so independent. When you're 99 half in the rest, on your hundreds. It was good. It was good. I needed to do that. I needed to check the records, check relationship with your colleagues and all those things. And I think one thing that came up was your diligence. Yes. And the love for your work. Well. So if you look back, senior engineer, yes, highway. Yeah. What has changed? You miss it? Well, no correct camera. Well, it can be so no. When we say who own dear. We are training professionally. But I can't say rather anymore. I'm not teaching community. Maybe I'm not reviewing. Make out say rather anymore. Or pray. Ona account some more press. MPP Amanyu Kuno. Francato for number can do for. Yep. Kwara ka message ya ubi na ahwefo nyina so match ya wo. Na mama wo yakọ. Odma wu ye no. Yes. Me amayi. Yes. Na nso yesi wo dwan ankwa. Ne nguma ko. Enti me mama shedin. Yes, that's good. Na chire no me nguma de. No problem. Mr. Bilas. Madam wase. Yeah. No kre se wa your checks. Me kura na me nim. Yeah. Baby amaya adwuma. Okubisa amase. Yeah. Say na madwuma sitie. Say na me ni nipa nkete. Ntem titie. Eno ho adanse na wo edie. Yeah. Eno nti na mre bia ya na me ka se onyame eche wa chede a memfa ensie. Onyame che wa chede a ensie dabi. Faboa adasa. Enti baby ame meye madwuma bia. Diligence, meticulous, commitment to the highest order, because me person me achieve the highest quality in my performance. Sir, and na misubai. Okay, so you're in the race again. No correct. This time, just, very hopeful. Oh yes, ayem kunimdie. Say enyem kunimdie a kwabna me say mre. Me say mahoden. Me say sika. Me risk it. If you say nanti omanimu 275 constituencies. She said they are constituency. Now call risk it. Inti enyen kunimdi a enna minim se me daye son no ye daye son a atenka ewo mu a mintu sa na mo yi. De nti e me den se meka se o ka we de jai na enim nipa e kodo da ne ekwan a onyame fa so share ne ho animonyam from nowhere when you came for the first contest for the flag bearership. Yes. It is difficult dealing with you now because you always cause a surprise. And as I say, the mobase, there's no asako bie sa no. Ama ase emu abeda hokese pa. So ene ubegina MPP amanyoko no
one modern bo any of Mumbre Yoso, and I say MPP for the CIA for the 2 million. Remember details of the reason why you're here, but the bigger picture is that when you may Wadom or your flag bearer, Obe Gina MPP in Kunim DNA, modern bo, the same person out there called cars and actually Ghana for. And areas bear 4 pe, Nembra and Common Ancasaso. A quiet quetia ketasishe. And some Ghana phobia canfa are buying such a and then the expenditure. A fee is a sem said that a horn, a corner by a corner by a mebuno bracket, 18 to bear 45. Yet is one casa.
No correct.
So, how well na abaya obe jinana sono edia kowani because you are free even the contest make as a flag bearer now. So how well are you going to campaign?
Komna bedase. Sena ekrubi ni Dubai. Nanso obi tenase e no bo pose a high desert. Insuo ni ha. Ya ntimi ha. Be ekwan be na ebe fa so a enipa ebe ba betena. Ebe hia nsuo. Ebe hia se ebe duedue nnua bia asase no ebe timi asom ama na gina. Ena omotena ase na omo plan na ye. Enu nti opanyina wodi Dubai so. Ye fe na Sheikh Al Maktoum. Na semo o kan ye e opotoka semo ne. Life was created simple and it is important to leave it as such. Unquote. Enipa abrabo eye simple eye bibi kitikiti. Enti no memma no manu
bebre kasi ni sa.
Debi. Nti bibi kase na say there is complexity of life. Complexity beba no just offer simplicity.
It's a complexity beba.
Just offer
simplicity.
Yes. Onam simplicity man sana and normal complex. In the answer na kwesi broni yes wo kumun so no. O sha say kan say ndie mame nko be 1 meter.
Kakra.
2 meters.
Afi o kono emu ye din.
Aha, and otime de coin. Jamaica man na besisu ni. Yeah, your man about 30 million people. E japade onya media man ni. Say ye nsua se ye beye ye normal kitten na afi ababe ye kese ni esi epese ye ni nyina kese ba boom enyeye onyame kora bosoro ni asase no wa manfrasa
na toto
na ebibifo no aga na fo e ka ho no mpempi no ye mpese ye be fa kwanya emuda ho ko se bi emuda ho a
ewa
keta asese ntimi mmab emuda ho a favoritism intimi mmab emuda ho a yemia we intimi mmab nti saade a yentwa ne kona
ye kate corners
ye no let's say amana ye complex na ye huhu nenso nka amamu oti se kwabna wo ne wo yere ne o matifie
amamu no
yes so wo ne o yere ma antifie a so so di o mo so wo na yo
mo na president o
bo so me wo je 1000 na 1000 na wo je no wo di mu 400 ama yere se on fa bi no aduane anopa awie anwumre no on fa bi ntua o ma school fees 600 na kan de hye wo botom eduru anwumre anu akra ne se wo fa fikyire aba wo beba no na so ate ade eche wo beba na so ate da ko ti wa no aka jo se bema 400 no de enye adwumo enso ntu beba fi obebu zanse na akoso ya maduane wo se aduane ni mfikyire ho nti afi be to so se eni 600 no ma min se enyi be 400 enfan ka akoso ya ho na won keep 200 no. That is the management. Nti oba o man ni muso a o man ni ejapade ni ade nti na yenye ye normal simple o kan bibi fa ka jase se ho o kan bibi fa ni daso a enie 18 to 45 obi a peso hu se abraba me bo no emu da ho manim da ho no mo nse minuru ha metimi ayese na ankoyi a ekone se enunti aban biara wa this de kese da wanim ne se obema otimamufo enya enije. The basic function of every government is to achieve happiness for the citizens. Setimemufu aninya na ne aban na enye se ni mfaso kwa na dwuma ye no enwie peyo. Nti wo se anije e batimemufu. Setimemufu anije a wo kra aban no aban mu mpanimfu no na mo asumu atomo. Ene ya omanyi eka amene ye a ho kire e wo hoi. Me wa resem se asoafo kra no omunni omo asumbi. Obeda sorry anopa no nine na ya sakiu ofi obi ebe petchop money dey. Ufri efie nkoduru office na another queue ho. Menim sasa na bi ekoso. Me nko hu bi sa na ekoso. Enti aba ne sa mo asoafo no kra no. Wani wasumunto. Bese ketime mufo emuda ho ne obi anigi a. Yeah, sorry for 5 AM about fi abede. Obi ama ho. Office kra obi ama. No nya ho. Na so otimi ayi wadwuma no nya mre a. Ososo obetim dey arrest any of family entimi ayi. Nenso se ahokyere wo ho dia. Timamufo dia ahokyere ni nyina beba be hwemo. Eno wo minister no ebema wo stress. Enti kwabena empempenso ayaba beduro no. Yesi yebetimi aye. Yebetimi adane ani. Omani si kasem nyina. Eka no wo ho. Nanso yempe kwan a ye nyina no yebefwa ama eka no ya bre no ase. Samre nyemra aye kohwe na hu kosam. Okokohwe na hu kosam pe.
Yenwie da
bi na ahokyere no da so ho. Tibi de mesere se ye nyina no yemu ase. De hye kon no yebebre na ase. Ebre na ase na ye ho eharia. Afi ni abefi ni abebi se na ho anema ne baaye. Wa ma ne baaye waso twen ene ne ne.
O peso ye Franka tuni ema MPP amanyuko no. Esi ahene fo no de nkomo na ne omobo.
Kwamre esi ahene fo no de me no mbo nkomo pi. Se wa winim o can surprise at the most surprise. My first surprise in 2008 ewo Mampong parliamentary primaries.
Because on kase ni atem we boko onam boko but you always make an impact.
Yes, Kamra. Yewra kofo say nsuo hye emfa nipa eye nsuo nyunu ende fa nipa sabi yeti hay eye nkita hodi eye kasa ne kasa e wo say minya omu abreshemu e wo say wonso nya memu abreshemu. So you must deal with people with justice, with mercy, with honesty.
Justice, mercy, honesty.
Inti me krata na me kan last week Wednesday and then na wotwe no. Wo kan a obo hu say me reference to justice, mercy, honesty. Enipa bi anim say woni ni bedi e wo ne pepepe yo so a na dwere mo da ho. Onim say wo abadaye. Wo abadaye bibi kwache okra no a wo abadaye. Ni trimo da ho. Onim say wo de no kre eye adwuma ni trimo da ho. Eno nti MPP delegates here me aso me grassroots man. Sabe kwa me so mabremu
papa
mabrem
papa
ya ngoma antusie so na me so me masie ne tintin hunhuna me yo wo sie ne tintin ye hia me fro atraw Adom achede me so de nyame e de ma me no kwan ya me fa so edidi edomo anim enu di domo anim a hwe se obema o makwankyere pa hwe se obema o mu nkranhye hwe se wo mu yedie ehu behia enti grassroots across the country obi wo hokra wo hye na kura biase kra ne kuro kitikiti bi enso ne mekasa obeka chose ono wo se ne koso ha asumesi aba ha osise asumesi so atiase enti yedi nkomo ena menye obi a mede me hu sie enipa opeso ohumi a ofremi a obehume mema ha sa ne nipa atie hwe kwabna opese odi dom animu a obere na ade ohu akame wo mo I mean, with protection from your followers. But open so isolate you and still be their leader, and you're possible. So they want to have a feel of you. Open so munya who atenka you who and said the Jume ye no man into a man who cry your communities moba mumra na yensu yemfa ye hu twetwere mo kakra ne yentwe carrot omo ka na energy so the American system ne say udi domo animu a onfa ho nsie ma wo mu hu kasa kire wo emu aye din no kra no mo mo nti ase no mo beti ase enti be ni grassroots for kasa across the 275 constituencies
I want to maybe ba no because uni
me were coordinators me were meeting nanso unwure mu awu ehona ye the submarine
ana yejuma ehona nka maybe ba no efise nei obehwe na ye centrofo no party fo bi no mo enipa bi no mo so mo sese abato ho nkomo obehwe na mo ba ekuku dambe nkono na ekosi ni patriotic party frankato fo yi no ehwe mu dia asumesi ni obentin ayi we ni we kofini ama omo no mudi omo gina brane omo maka ne de bigiri se sansem no watititi bia ebre etise mu no o kandifo ben pa na ogidi se party ni be yi a ebeboa ama party including get be peyo
komra makasa aseme party ni hia nim foforo
ohia anim foforo
yes a new face a fresh face our the fresh appeal at the beba when say nipa ho fro nipa
ni obi tinacha edi bia na afia edi
no enti obeka say ya brew mun say wo kasa bisa o kaka o ya brew we dia kono obi so
emra
yewura kufu ado na the year 2000 some beka ya ni say ododo rally back o je microphone no so mu mokwa aba keke NDC for monko na ebimra enti ebi edru MPP so internal elections the American say enam say enipa ehufuru nipa nti otena so be ye mfie nwotwe ni wie a amanfo se yetie o yehu edi adibie ade na nkoje wa home no bi na afufuro so emma ne yenhwe bo mu so de on betimi enu nti na megina so say MPP hia ni mfoforo na menyina so ni me mitu esia mitu mira chiresi esie ni 2000 yewra atamils no a sitting vice president NDC 8 years with Rollins or your NDC candidate and so ntimi am break 8 olusui 2008 Nana Kufuado yewra Kufuado no a minister in Kufuor's administration be a MPP candidate went to me and break 8 2016 yewra John Mahama no a sitting president after NDC 8 years went to me and break 8 enti I was say kire yen MPP for ne say
so na ekona
sa enti yenso ye fa obi a o wa ban ni mu wakwa aban ni mu a e kire say yentimi break 8 no enti se betimi break 8
a new face
on ni aban ni mu
account 7-point agenda no 18 the odi ate e be this 8 no ko ba eka 7 no
7-point policy no there and yes me can who say looking for to break the 8 you know there you hear a new face and no the mistaking or me address anymore and sana me 7-point development policy for the country no so ewo ho
who can't new face no e bi no argument be say and e kura bri ni ho party na kura no mon hihye mu no even though bri wo mafa say mbo yi franka tuni no say ye nyi obi a ena kodwa so a na say wane ne mu am ya tini dia hu ni mfo nyina da ben ni ebenya sika ne yatima ko ye nkuru ase ne ye potem ne kona bia ne geto bia ne yatima aton ni pa yi aton na nimi yi aton na asem yi mani pa hu ni pa oye se on na edi ni patriotic party sa ehunu so konkon e kire ho sa mpa ebia de o kan pa o bia be bi hwa abakosem kro so a se ye pesi ye breki sa nwotwe nko ade a abakosem kire se the status quo no but ehunu so ne se sikasem ebre ni ho onipa no ba na fe ne ye beton and all do what been way now
Kamera I mean ka same way popularity ye ton obi etimi de banche foforo badwa so enni meet
e betia fa ba bia
asa
the papa yenti
sanity sa enunti ye beton flag bearer no a ejina yen party man so yen party man so no polling station bia ye were executives 5 e wo ho enti ade na muntimi nton ade a wo se ton e magana for eto ade paso ne ton ne ho ade paso wo ho a ne ton no enye tona ye no kra enye atufo ebuo edi bae na ekokra
e mabo no kra sa ye de mo e so di pato
e beto
ko munim de wom
sanity
ba e be ka
ma obia enye ni hu because new appeal na eba no so hono any kasa no a eba no to amanfo akoma so no kasa ba ku mienu miensa amanfo se ye wo gidi ye wie
obeka ne sen na be ya no sense ira dai ni mo ono mampo kroko e oro de bi de mi se na onko pe be bintina o sa ku ye so ko mampo kra no ye cream na hwefo na MP kra na o ye se cream yi na o be pe frank di se ansem no se bi be fa opro so ya ti o se
mampo so ato aba ma me be mra hye bedwani mfie nwotwe
sa mampo na
sa enti won se de mikro ne sitie mikro mfo no amu ato aba agi midi emra na omu nni mikra no eyie no ebeye mra hye bedwani mfie nwotwe na de meka ne se akwantu obi a utu a enkunimdie wo mu no onfa ne totin yewura kofo okọ no wahwe ase finally nkunimdie bai atamels okọ no wahwe ase onya nkunimdie nyanado okọ no wahwe ase onya nkunimdie Barack Obama first time okọ competitive election no in the state of Illinois okọ ilusu akwanya ne ba say okọ contest for the Senate of the United States odi nkunim okọ ye ni 2 years later no or running for the leadership of the Democratic Party. Mo Barack Obama story. First attempt it was state of Illinois where din kunim. For the whole of United States Senate elections from Illinois no din kunim. Okọ in 2 years ni potential amanfo hu se ewo ni mo no. After 2 years as a senator he was running for the presidency of the United States. Enunti akwantu obia no betimi akofom no wasan peja. Empanufo na kan say obekoto a obehwiraje sa okoto. Wankoto a wuntimi hwire. Okoto wi ano apeja ahoden no. Enti mikromfo eto aba maame beye mrase bewieni mfie nwotwe. Ena o man san to aba maame. Enya nwanwa ne nyina ye part of the success story to be told. Now you complete at the amount.
But okay, any pie ya titru party for a bit do party na to a fault. Say, I say, hey, yanko, on say, yanko no crano, gata da ho, amanabi da ho. Yes, party I can say, yanko no quade, grrr, this wa okosa. Who say, party na nkasa share no. A yini wama obidada. Baby out no.
There be enye ne ho na kwamna minsan kansi so so mo amunsam kyerefo ye mo na mo din semsem ne bawo aba ye betue ye nyamie yo empokra na bia wo mo amodwene se
ombe akani
ombe obi o mo kra mo nya akokoduro en contest ena me kan wo fidie so bedwem ena ye da be
na 8 February
bosomi mienu ne de to so much obi abia mbadwen se
okobi
afire bedru ho ni bibie nomination na o hwe
se de ma si
kono ase atem ho ase we de me nyanko me ko twan e wo ho contest na de nim no kwabna enough for more. Delegates of over 200,000, around 208,000.
Fakasi na so form.
Form. Ubedi nkunima uhia over 50%. 50% plus 1. Nti ube here over 100,000 votes. Na otimi edi nkunim. Enough for. Die ye ma na Akufo-Addo 2014 no. Samre no na party no opposition. Na conditions say prevailing no. And yes the same conditions and they prevail sa. And at the party man ye ma na Akufo-Addo no. And yet automatically transferable.
That one is not transferable
at all to any person. Into wa oba race in no. Wa wo de wa nkasa wa ho oden. Eni wa said the wunyina so. And out there ba. Te se me ade ni mometi hai. Me ama ho oden ni me nyina so. And na me de etuma na mo. Inti no ensachraye anansonsono ye ewo. Uhia over 100,000 votes to win. Now about to a bay more say a better run off.
No, me the
party constitution.
No, the other come about to us a bad days me do chim. It was why you be paying.
Yes.
It's not me who didn't come. Be careful about the questions I'm about.
No correct.
It's you who say run of bebem.
Likely. Contest ne mo ho. Delegates na twan baby away Mohad a part of Ayawaso Central constituency. Delegates I'm sure some over 1,000.
1,004, 1,000 or so.
Yes, delegates. And yet easy so benyamu 200, 300, 400, 500, 600.
Enough for.
And as you say, no munyina swate. Obi a twen one eba ni mababe kasa.
Oh, you didn't for phone can you many friend me go mind go maybe press me you know mo hwe na bibia nko kama because me mam me ni nyina nti
ko mo ho a wo mo se ehu bi penti e na abo aserewa
oji ne ba no yi nani
o hwe o mo adika ye bi na samre ono o mo gaza o se ye twen mo momra
the expectations that go baabia
komra na o pe vote na wontimi nko 275 constituency na wontimi nko nipa ne ho nkosere ni vote na emum onto ma no otuma wi obede wohu e wo hen fa no
technology dey adwuma
kamera ebia abrofu no mu nchemu na technology na oba bibi memu hadia eya wunti kasai yenim no yenim no hwe wate woni onimudi wo pa wuni pedua no ahwe. Also,
so you are ready to go to 275?
Absolutely. Because the Americans say, Obiti lipe, Obiti ose kodokro, Obiti kulungugu, Obiti elubo, Obiti napanduri, Obiti goso. Me se onto abamame. Mentimi enya kokodro enya pepa no anko nipa ne nanso ne nanke kasa ama na ankari mi anhwehwe enhumisu ene me ban se me se efata na metimi aye na onkoto aba ne mamenwie na ode ne kokoro mutie ne mame a ehefa na obeba be hume enti me de me nuanu mu a wo musi ye bepre ni nyina no ye adwuma kase ene dawo na me 2014 no me famu bi na mentimi anko all the 275 na mire ni sa 2014 no the whole of upper region all the 15 constituencies me koi Ashanti region out of 47 constituencies no me komu 23 constituency by constituency by constituency engaging delegates ewo ho no mo onye krado a mema agro no.
No, enya agro na wodi no.
Oh yes. When you crowd on mema agro no mo. We hear the physical fitness, mental fitness, the moral fitness, and the experience. Enti obi a obefa said the man na ado no. Obetimi a benefit from the man na ado a. Na nya no kre. Enti na me kan say Mon some trefo no ni posters na mo na ye koye pensim yesi we ni we omunyai. It is an open contest. Na ye den na me dem ko bia me toso. 2014. That time there is the same size of delegates. Yeah, the same size of delegates. Call first stage of the special electoral college election. And sana ye call the main election. Entino delegates no ho. Omu constituencies. Fine, obetimi a radio, I mean, non media. The traditional media, social media. Nanso nipa no ka tro say, "Pamra, minimu no, mihu no, omba ha."
Oti ho na o kaka de.
Okofom a na obehu. Na sabi, obi ti ne krom ketewa bi na wetimi abo apinchen no. Na ne na kekasa. Na wa to na koma so a. Ada obeto aba no. Ebeye din se kokromotie no, ode be kame o. Ode be ma. Ode be ma. Intermediate my crowd for the 275 constituencies. Because a Jumana am say me no. Me wo ho passion atenka no. Eno nti na me tu sa na mo. Se me nim sa no a. Kamna ka me ha me nti na me ka se nyenkunimdi a ene matenka wo mpanini emu a. Se me ha me ho.
So you are so ready.
More than that.
Congress we call conference and we are ready.
We are ready. Ye be nomination na me fa me for. Eya ne binu wo ho. Na the anymore is in the race. Who beat me for are you in the race? No, my business the panel said, nah. If the anymore is not in the race, who can be in the race? Race no crano, men fancy in yan shase. The ye na expression of interest. Oh, meba, meko, sort I say. Nan she say ni nyaba, ni say ne ye be nomination. Filing fee, say. Okofa krata na tintin evia. Now the Hunsika no a piece. Now the Command General Secretary. No, I Bema. I feel no, I Bema. No, I be a major stakeholder in the process. Into Comna, a Juma Cassia, na mesere mo and some telephone say. Flag bearer contest here there in PP anymore. Munya Huabotre, may family video so. Mammo show bias. Predictions ni be no mo ye papa me say the minimum no enye na mfom na mfom aha enye awose okofom na ne amanfo kasa ena eye bidwin say eyi sika na omo wo ho a wo mo hwehwe ebi ma dwene ni say eyi sika de aha de hia ye kase ye wan kasa no your acceptability to them. Se ombeji atum se asumesi or se fata no betimi aye. Enti yemfa yeni enhwe no. So it cannot be sika all the time. No dear, wakushia obi na se o. Enam se me frɛ wo se kwamna kwa okrom no. Afu Kenyase. Kenyase. Afu. Kenyase. Ho ye sutifin enough. Exactly. Enti bia me kwa sutifin enough mikoshia o mo nyina wo Kenyase. Bo obi firi ni ekuro kitwa ba na aba Kenyase. Ti me se o enam se me frɛ oba aye no. O lorry fare enie. Na watimi de akọ. Eno nye sika ekosi sana na dwe. No no so yet ada ni mo chitafo a omo ye delegates a ye tata omo onnim na otwu ti se ona ada ni mo na ekọ. Obehu de ebe ye. Dankofo so omo nyai sa obi a wo hunu na obi a no onyai. Me ya ka kire ye omo ye campaign man se obi anyina. If we say obi a one vote. National chairman area 17 the vote ye baako. Polling station youth organizer the vote ye baako. Wuntumi the vote ye baako. All the regional chairman obi a vote ye baako. General secretary vote ye baako. Enu nti abato we mayemma ehunehuna mem. So we DC ya mem ko hunehuna delegates e wo mpeso aso. We are constituency chairman me hunehuna wo mo. We are regional chairman me hunehuna. Yemma delegates no polling station for ni in particular any electoral area coordinators no enye free na wo munyi deɛ wɔn mu nim sɛ wɔn bɛtɔn no ama party no a breaking 8 come na ultimately no yɛ botaeɛ nso yɛpɛ sɛ yɛkɔ beyond 8 years na yɛkɔ 12 na yɛtumi kɔ 16 years na yɛbɛka sɛ ɔman Ghana amanyɔsɛm mu no MPP tradition no yɛne the first party a yɛtumi tra 8 years call 12 call 16 and sana enuanom NDC for class ɛbɛbɔ homo modern a ɔmɔtimi abɔ.
Okay, so yɛbɛba yɛnkɔmɔ no so say era dynamo and yɛne ne twetwe nkɔmɔ wa de go try how many back aba yɛba or 7 point bi wɔ ha ɛsɛ sɛ otimi breaking it down sɛ brɛ man ɔkwan na yɛhwɛ sɛ wagye the blessings of His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and back on journey we are. And other matters be up in the conversation. Your conversation here. Well, Asaba back. Lots of your text messages, Abba, and running through the text messages. I'm more describing a calm nature. Honorable Dynamo is a fine gentleman. All the text messages, fine gentleman, fine gentleman. I am not God. I am not to be God, a nation or what, but obvious. The delegates have already made their choice. Hence, I respectfully implore him to liaise with any of much bigger camps, work with them. And I make a Dynamo. Unim require text to go from but because all the careful about the camp. I'm telling you, I've had that personal experience. It's dangerous. And so unim na the men who's own person but men go man opportunity ni pe obe one on every pepe na odinechi. I want to be the lead spokesperson for the campaign. I'm telling you. Don't those guys are growing from you know. So what's the 7-point agenda no?
Okay. Now chisene na metu menum tu. Enti me de normal son to ja. Die di kan eni pasitrem yedidi. So ahono. Enti agriculture and food security.
Agric and food security.
Yes. There was say yehwe say yekuayo. Yebeshem kena. Na ye ankasa yetimi adua die ebedie ni die ebehia ebedie. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins.
Public administrator, civil engineer, now a dietitian.
Sure. And until agric and food security, and we hear. See, it me near reduce your imports on food items. You save foreign exchange. Into your GDP equation, you know. Export minus import, no, you better be a positive figure.
But me check your background, so economics, no, they say O level now, we difficult craft fast. Maybe I want to fade away. Nipa bi no muka se bi o se o afi abato no de oboa en kontabu abato sikasem on hye iti me ye na me say ene wa hwe ya ye de no be wi wo
kamna me O level economics. Nambo me homodin. Economics kwa no am here no O level no. Na nya me major. Na me a science student.
Science?
Yeah, intermediate economics can ho 9 subjects. Maths, add maths and elective maths, physics, chemistry, biology, agric science, geography, economics, English.
No be PA. And another story.
Yes.
So food security and agric.
Yes.
Then what again?
What did you hear? When say, "Wapum din ebe here." Health. And who are healthy citizen real, and the more mind so ekoso. Now make me believe in prevention is better than to cure. I believe in preventive medicine. Into bibi to say malaria. Yare no kwan be ni betimi esi ano kwan enti sika ye de be import malaria drugs ni sa no
ya da kankwa
millions of dollars
yen hwe na yen solve problem
so you prevent it rather than to cure wo apom din so a wo hia nim de education enti education so and a tool for development. There was a mine, ya this year, a who here. Yadia to me say, ye perceive a more friend, you know, Timiko school to senior high school level. And son now, Obeko tertiary, Obeko vocational, Obeko here. Fine. Into senior high school policy, na sustainability no. The basis kasem no na edin a was see any Ghana for kasa. Said the Iraq and for that time maybe can say so no betimi atua ne ba school fees a ye ma ne kwan no ntua. Na di wontimi ntua no ne ahwe. Into the funding for the free senior high school policy no. Ye behwe said the beya e be ma the quality of the education no and so young compromise. Now technical vocational TVET and skills.
Fantastic. So be a guaranteed who exit here.
Yes, also nya BB. Now because developed countries, you know, say BB to say Japan, Germany or even Japan.
Yeah.
Japan after World War II, Hiroshima blasted, Nagasaki, omo economy, but no more sanu no omo tete omo dem no more ye. And then they are built there with the Toyotas, Nissans, and the Hondas.
And we are lacking that too.
Yes.
You pay attention.
But that is the group who hold the economy no park kese. So no. Obi oye inside. He said two cars will be a perjuma. I'm a perjuma. I'm sorry anopa. Me a bear my botai, me your bar so my shame skirt and glass, so my Jimmy bag, I send me no no cotton, no table near the bed. But informal sector, a lot of things. I call services be into education. When your education area is also no. Training say and say any edumano. Indeed. Into employment and entrepreneurship. That's the fourth policy. There also be at me eduma. So we are ma we are mo be eduma, and now we are aban eduma. Stano me miensa. Ya eduma wie no. Ehia so man no musoso no. Ya sitinem, ye movement, ye infrastructure. Ye enhance ni improve no. Into our roads, our railway, our telecommunication, our energy, our housing, our water systems. And now, maintenance of public infrastructure.
And the Iraqi.
Besides maintenance of public infrastructure, abandoned public projects be investment home for so or mining monodos. Nya for 8 years. You be work is you be completing all those projects. I was so bad for so no mine. And yes, I there. Nancy K. Koshi Munina. So, all abandoned projects, I was here completing. The maintenance of all public infrastructure. You see, if a bedroom maybe. You share a baby to say International Conference Center, meaning how the state of affairs it is, even National Theatre. So, I was saying to me, maintaining, we keep the standards in place. So, enhance public infrastructure. We are the sixth one, improving our public service delivery.
Yes.
Bebre. Honkwano. Nona, Oshami Nguma Mitintim Yenwa. Former American President Mr. Woodrow Wilson develop the principles of the science of public administration. Principles of the science of public administration. In public administration service delivery, I was say results oriented, market oriented. Yet to send for so emraso and famobia. Effectiveness and efficiency. And yes, a million biara. And will be a study public administration to be the combining with my physical science engineering. Ocean no manu. Physical science engineering because 1 + 1 is 2. But in public administration, okay, 1 + 1 maybe 2. May not the Abahono said there's a human factor bishop. In TB, I'll bet me at a swab by 0.05 and I be caught by 0.05 above. Then it should help you in the decision making. Then the 7th will be accountability. Scrutiny.
Papa.
Yes. Because you say, if should be no money, your resources will be brave. It be a waste, you know. It could be deliberate, it could be unintentional. But there was see no kind, near minimize it. The one at the issue of corruption,
always good to talk to you. Bring Tifacha me bad meaning.
The last point in it.
What do you say?
Mr. Mediate.
I wish you well.
Thank you.
In this journey.
Thank you.
At all time.
Amen.
But that's also Jibrishim. Here are the animals. It's another day.